till the month of
It's okay.
May.
My only concern, as you would also agree,
My lord.
is that he's in custody.
My lord.
That's the thing.
May in the month of May.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number
I
2.
understand. So what do you suggest?
He
Another
also
day?
is a
Not today. Should we
Objection.
wait, take a chance or adjourn it?
Adjourn it to the month of
Maybe
May.
adjourned, Lordship.
Not.
Item 46, it might take some time.
Yes, I do not deny today,
Yes.
tomorrow we have some time
Yes.
constraints. Anyway, but do it on the next
Well,
day, huh? Because he's in,
Definitely.
the learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned amicus curiae for the respondent number 2. Submit praise for another date for the appeal. Full stop. The prayer is allowed. List the matter. Can you suggest a date or
May.
after reopening?
It could be on
Hearing date.
14th of May.
14th.
14th of May, it's a Thursday, so
Thursday?
maybe the matter might reach.
Do it on that day. Do it. Because only.
Yes,
date-
it didn't
date
change much.
appeal, 14, fixed on 14/5. 14/5.
All right.
Like,
May I please ask? So item number 50, lawsuit, I've taken the permission from the counsel for the petitioner.
Okay.
Maybe taken up in the first week of May or so, any date convenient.
Lordship,
I am for the petition, my lord.
should I give
Any
learned
date.
counsel for
Lordship,
respondent?
item number 45 also, club the 15, my lord.
Corrected.
No. Item number 45, club with the 15, my lord.
Just-
Similar matter, my lord.
Just adjourn to adjourn.
45 and 15.
15 is mine matter, so I,
It's on 8/5.
45. he said
45.
45.
So Sharma, 8/5, 8 May. And to be, should I give a tagging order? It will be tagged,
Yes, my lord.
list along with criminal petition number 673 of 21. The 45 AK order pass kori diyo.
But 45, I am not there, so I do
So you're not there.
I am mentioning 15
No,
only.
not tagging na lage to. So 45 also, you are mentioning for as petitioner,
Yes, my lord.
45. Okay, when do you want it? On the same day?
Same day, my lord.
8/5.
Get good.
Lordship, interim to be continued, my lord.
May I pray, your Lordship?
Always,
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 14 of today's list. Also, Senior Counsel Mr. K. Agarwal is in bereavement.
What
But can,
happened? Someone died?
yes, his younger brother died.
Younger brother died?
Yes. Your Lordship, can it be fixed on 26th or 28th of May?
No problem. First, learned counsel and for leading counsel, learned senior counsel is in bereavement. Sick. Adjournment is prayed for, which is allowed. This is the matter in the last week of May,
26th or 28th of May?
28/5.
2/8. Obliged, Lordship.
Raki, agar to the
Ma'am,
lordship order to the extend kori silo ho.
May I please your lordship, item number 30, maybe fix after vacation 24,
38,
30.
30. So, scan copy has been received. Are you on interim then?
Yes,
Scan copy received, scan TCR received.
after 24.
List the matter, 6 and adjournment, this is allowed. List the matter after 24.
24.
27, 27/4/2020. Interim bail stands extended till the next day.
That place actually. I beg to mention item number 34, madam.
3/4,
34.
34.
3/4. Perhaps it is not there. 34, my lord, case diary not received.
CD
First sheet submitted, my lord, in this case.
We'll dispose it of, if possible.
Yes.
Let it come up, then we'll decide. Huh? Okay.
May I please, your Lordship? In item 43, my lord, we filed an additional affidavit that is not in record.
43.
43.
Okay, additional affidavit maybe.
May I please, your lordship? One motion matter, your lordship. It is a bail application
For a listing,
listing.
when? Today?
Tomorrow, your lordship.
Tomorrow?
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24, lordship. The trial court record was called. It is a charge sheeted matter.
Hmm.
It has not been received, lordship, as per the office note dated 4/4/26.
Scan TCR not received.
Not received, lordship. Can a
Issue
reminder
reminder
be
for
issued
the,
and
just a minute. Issue reminder for the scan TCR. Full stop.
on
Yes,
24th, can it be fixed?
Yes.
Sir? He's inside,
yes.
24th of April.
List the matter on 24/4/2026.
If
May
DPO.
I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing, for motion matter.
Today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. File on
tomorrow, just because I'm keeping a check, because not about me actually. Some staff and all, they also have to leave.
But already passed,
Outstation.
already
So that's the
passed.
only concern.
On Saturday we filed, already
Mm.
passed.
Today I'm willing to take up any matters, but anyway,
May I-
fix it.
May I please, your lordship? With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 47. Can it be taken after Bihu vacation?
Yes, no problem. Learned Council, your good name, please?
Yeah.
Your good name,
S. Bhumik.
as Bhomik, Learned Council submits, seeks an adjournment with the consent of the other side. Prayer is allowed. List the matter. Any date you'd like to suggest?
Date
After
after vacation.
after vacation, after BU vacation, on a date to be fixed by registry. Any interim order? Interim order?
No.
No. They will give the date.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I'm paying for listing of one criminal petition, lordship, after vacation,
After vacation,
lordship. Lordship, the date may be fixed.
whenever you want.
24th of the April. Oblige, you, lordship.
May I plead the lordship? I beg to mention item number 35 for withdrawal.
Your good name, please?
M. Rahman.
M. Roman. Learned Council submits that he has instructions to seek withdrawal of this bail petition. Prayer is allowed. The bail petition is disposed of upon withdrawal.
Another
It-
prayer for
Item 35, right?
35.
Yeah.
Lordship. Another prayer for listing, lordship.
Listing. Today,
Tomorrow, lordship.
I would prefer today actually, because today let the list be long, will work. But tomorrow, as I said, no, more than me, I am willing, but two of my peers, they have to leave for Bongaigaon. Somebody has to leave. Even you, some of our colleagues in the bar may also have to
My
leave.
senior instructed me to take.
Okay.
My pleasure, Lordship. Item number 17, Lordship. Well, pass about the matter 40 day, Lordship. This matter will be taken now after vacation, Lordship, due vacation. In the meantime, Lordship, FSL report was called for, but I don't know it is received or not. So direction may be given to call this FSL report.
You'll just check it once.
CD received, but whether FSL report is there or not, I have not checked right now.
Learned Council seeks an adjournment with the consent of the other side. FSL report shall be requisition if not already received. Stop. Any interim order?
Yes, Lordship.
Interim order stands extended till the next date of listing. You have received the CD, you said.
CD received.
What will you do? Will you retain it or send it back?
No, I will have to return back. I will,
Return that. Is there? So I won't say anything.
yes, your lordship.
Okay. Okay.
And whether FSL is necessary or not, that also I will have to look into.
List the matter, date. You
Yes,
suggest-
Lordship, date may be fixed.
You can suggest a date.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship,
Just a minute.
May, Lordship, in the month of first week of May.
8 May.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship, I request the adjournment for item number 38.
38. This is for CDs there.
Item number 38, my lord, case diary received, my.
Yes, my lord. Actually, my senior is out of station, my lord.
Are you, interim is there? No.
No,
interim
no,
is there?
my lord. Notice not yet served.
Notice. So, no problem. Case diary is received. Learned Council seeks an adjournment in the matter. The learned additional PP submits that though case diary has been received, but service upon respond number 2 not yet complete. The prosecution shall take instructions regarding the same. For case diary, you'll retain.
Case diary, my lord, well, lordship, I'll talk to the IO if necessary, I'll have to return back.
Okay, I won't say anything,
Yes, yes,
but I can observe that it has been received.
yes. Your lordship may need not record anything, my lord. I will talk, if necessary, my lord, I will
Okay,
send it.
then don't say anything about its case diary. Okay, after the vacation.
Vacation.
After the vacation, take the date. Take the date. My lord, take the date.
On 22/4.
22.
Oblige, my lord.
May it please your Lordship. First, I beg to mention for listing of 2 bail applications, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord. Deeply obliged.
May it please lordship, I beg to mention for motion matter lordship, Abby. May it fix for tomorrow lordship. Please.
May I please, I beg to mention for listing also, criminal division petition for motion.
Criminal revision, if it's not urgent, let it be after
There may
vacation.
20 also.
Huh?
20 maybe.
20.
Yes. 20 April. Must
May I
be.
please, Lordship? Lordship, I'm paying for listing, my lord. DA,
Bay.
tomorrow, my lord.
Okay.
Oblige.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, paying for listing of a regular bail application tomorrow, your Lordship.
Focus on the motions tomorrow then.
My lord. 483 bail application, my lord. FIR is on page number 11, my lord. May I read my- Under section 303. Theft.
Let's get the case diary.
Yes, well,
Get the case diary.
no, case diary, my lord, yes.
They are not.
Habitual, my lord, earlier 3 cases pending against the present accused person.
317 was added.
3174 edit, my lord.
Get the case diary.
Yes.
After,
Give a short date, my lord, Rangya police station.
immediately after opening. It is charge sheeted case.
No, sir.
No.
45 days.
Investigation. Call for the case diary of Rongia PS case number 40 of 2026. The petitioner was arrested on 22
22
2026. Okay, because of that section, it is 90 days. Please the matter on
On 23/4.
23. Okay.
Published.
These are lordship. Lordship, this is a 483 application. The FIR is a page number 10, lordship. Under section 189(2), 61(2), 1117(2), 109 and 1182.
1182 edit, my lord. Later.
118.
118.
What is that?
That is my previous.
Previous case diary with medical report.
Oh, yes.
Call for the case diary along with medical report of Abhayapuri PS case number 47 of 2026. The petitioner was arrested on 18/3/2026. List the matter on 23.
Yes.
Just some time.
Wait, please, your lordship. It's a regular bail, my lord, second time, my lord. Today is 75, my lord. At this stage, my lordship may call for the case diary, my lord.
Mr. MJ Doctor fairly submits that an earlier bail petition was rejected on 31/3/2026 in DA 701 of 2026. This one, right? This one. The call for the updated case diary. Stop. Updated case diary of this number. Bilasipara PS case number 391 of 2025. He was arrested there on 22/1/2026. List on 22/4.
21 will be, my lord,
21.
89 days, my lord. That's 21, my lord. I'm obliged.
Lordship, my sincere apologies, Lordship. Item number 3 may be taken up after some time.
I'll take it up.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, it's a 483 bail application, your lordship. Lordship, the page, FIR is at page 16, your lordship. The allegation is basically, his lordship, that some currency notes.
Fake currency, my lord, total 4,32,500 recovered from the
Your
residence of the
lordship, with my humble submission, to the point of consideration, your lordship, the FIR reflects that the currency which was recovered were one single side printed. Now the question comes into being that whether single side printed currency can be considered as a counterfeit or not. Now, your lordship, the actual fact is that I am a victim over here. Your lordship, what has happened is that through a Facebook channel, your lordship, I came to being that if I invest some money, I'll get a double amount of it, your lordship. To that account, I came all the way from UP. Thereafter, there was a transfer of actual exchange of money, and thereafter, this fake currency were handed over to me. And thereafter, due to a checking in the Kamakhya railway station, your lordship, I was intercepted, and at the meets, your lordship, this fake currency were recovered. And after it was recovered, it was seen that the FIR itself, it reflects that it contains only one side of the printed.
No, both were found actually.
Your lordship,
according
if out of the
let us see the case diary. I think it is necessary.
your lordship, if a short date may be given after, because you are already 32 days behind the bar.
Call for the case diary of GRPS case number 49 of 2026. petitioner was arrested on 6/3/2026. List on
24/4. 24/4.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship, the matter may be taken up with item number 26 out of the same FIR, lordship.
after 26.
29, lordship, item number
29.
29. Obliged.
Yes, 29 yes. 020.
No. Item 29.
Ah, you got a what? The fact recovery of fact correction, kindly contact case diary, my lord.
FKR Ahmed, Land Council. Lalu PS case number 63/26. He was arrested on 22/3/26. This is the matter on 23rd.
Yes, madam. All right.
49.
May I please, your lordship, the regular bail and petition, lordship. Offense, lordship, under section 118 and 119 of BNS, lordship. Here, the charge-sheet case, lordship. Already is more than 7 months is behind the bar, lordship. Here, FI is page 13, lordship.
Just a minute.
Page 15 is the relevant part, lordship.
Just a minute.
I'm reading the FI, lordship.
It's been what has been submitted. Okay, he attacked his wife and son.
Wife, quarrel between the wife and husband, lordship. And lordship, the second paragraph, lordship,
Drunken behavior.
of the FIR, lordship. Further, sir, we immediately went to Tinsukia Civil Hospital and Tinsukia, and I provide preliminary treatment and then went to the police station, lordship. Lordship, she has not admitted to the hospital, lordship, and after immediate preliminary treatment, lordship, she moved to the police station, lordship. So most probably Gavias has not be there, lordship. So lordship, already 107 days, more than 7 months, lordship.
See, we can consider at this stage also.
Lordship.
But only thing is that
Yes.
we have to, without seeing some more materials.
Yes.
The safety of the wife and
Lordship,
son.
83 days.
Only concern is that safety of the wife and son.
Mother
Because
is
he has a history of, this kind of behavior as per the complaint.
Yes.
We don't know.
she has still she has not
And
admitted in the
Rashid also
hospital,
is-
lordship.
Same.
Lordship, mother is 83 years old, lordship.
What do you say?
He is
Can copy of
supporting.
PCM, otherwise, without going through the materials.
Lordship,
Otherwise,
interim may
at
be
this
given,
stage,
lordship,
my
in
lord,
the next.
only because 83 days has passed, my lord, that he cannot claim as a matter of right. Now, only after
No,
perusal of the
as I
material.
said, frankly speaking, otherwise we can consider, but there's some concern about his own family. members.
Yes.
Anyway, let us get it after the vacation. Call for the scan TCR of since case number 169/25, arising out of Tinsukia PS case number 319 of 2021. The petitioner is slated to be in custody since 28/8/2024. The informant is the wife of the petitioner.
Supply
Scan TCR comprising case diary and charge sheet and other relevant materials. If you need. List on, give it immediately after vacation.
Yes.
21, 22.
Yes.
22.
Yes, lord. Mass obliged.
Yes, charge-sheeted case, your lordship.
50. Oh, 50. Absconder, my lord, there are other 7 numbers of cases already, my lord, going on against the present petition. Page 17, my lord. Is a veteran thief, my lord. A visual offender.
Yes. So many cases are pending.
Yes, total 7 numbers of cases. my lord.
Anyway, see that case record.
Along with the present case, total 8 numbers of cases.
All for the scan TCR. comprising case diary, charge sheet, and other relevant materials.
So in this case, my lord, search sheet not submitted, my lord. Search sheet submitted. Oh, yes, my lord, search sheet submitted.
Submitted.
Yes.
Sessions case number 21 of 26, arising out of Gosaigaon case 35. From the learned court of the learned, additional session judge Kokrajhar. Okay. Petitioners
Search sheet submitted.
were arrested on 18/2/26 and 22/2/26 respectively. List on
And 20, my lord, 7/4.
25, your lordship, another case
25.
was fixed on
25,
Out of
25 whole, the other 24/4.
24.
25 is a holiday.
Holiday.
You must be mistaken. It's a holiday. 27 or 24?
27, my lord.
27. I look.
51.
Yeah, the regular bail application, my lord. The petitioner is the no non-FIR case, my lord. His name has not been reflected in the FIR, my lord. The petitioner is the victim of the circumstances, my lord. Who is the witness of the incident, my lord. Yes, it's my lord. In the market, my lord. And some person has stated that he is the one woman has been assaulted by some person, my lord. In the Mukalma market, my lord. Stating the human sector, my lord. Well, and my name has not been reflected in the FIR, my lord. And in the forwarding report, my lord, although I have been arrested, my lord, but the police never asked me for remand, my lord.
Grounds of arrest. Mukalmo.
Page number 17, lordship, kindly see last paragraph, my lord. Required for police remand. My name has not been reflected, my lord.
Who are you? What is the name?
I am Sofil Ali, my lord.
Sophie.
Lordship.
What have
Your lordship may kindly
Case-
peruse page.
case
12.
diary?
Yes, yes.
Not case there is short-dated memory.
Charge sheet. Charge sheet.
No, man. Short-dated memory.
No.
Investigation going on.
Investigations going on. Page?
Page 20, my lord, third paragraph. I have perused the case diary. The accused Sophie Ali, the present accused, my lord, was, that is rejection order, my lord, was in this case. Though the accused is not an FIR name, but the video footages regarding assault on the victim Suburi Begum by tying her on a post at Mukalma
No
Weekly Market.
See, call for the
Yes.
case diary of Mukalmoa PS case 32 of 26. The petitioner stated to have been arrested on 11/3/26. List on
On 28/4, 28/4.
Short-dated memory, lordship. On 24th, 23, my lord.
the matters also there.
24/4.
24.
Standing at a 3. Well, please, your lordship. So in this case, the victim dies of natural causes, my lord. Postmortem report makes it very clear. Charge sheet also says that the victim dies of natural causes. Police still goes ahead and files a charge sheet for murder. And the person is in custody for 81 days. Your lordship will first
81.
kindly come to the FIR, my lord. That your lordship will find at page 11.
Yes, let us see the FIR.
Thomas.
The allegation.
May I read this FIR, my lord?
Due respect.
With due respect and humble submission, it is stated that since about 3 months from today, Jiten Boro and Mamuni Brahmo, Jiten Boro is the petitioner, my lord, Mamuni Brahmo is the deceased, have been staying in our house as tenants. Yesterday, on 1/4/2024, at around 7 a.m. in the morning, I saw the door of Jiten Boro's house open. So I went to their house, and upon entering, I saw Mamuni Brahmo lying dead on the bed in the bedroom. Later, we suspected that Jiten Boro had murdered Mamuni Brahmo and fled away. So that landlord lodges his FIR saying that he suspects. Now, your lordship will kindly come to page 32, my lord.
It's under investigation or charge sheet?
Charge sheet has been submitted, madam. The strangest part is charge sheet was also submitted and trial court has also framed charge, my lord. Page 32, your lordship has it?
Page 32.
32, my lord.
31 such.
31 to 30.
Spontaneous intracerebral hemorrhage.
Hemorrhage. Natural death. Well, that is stroke, my lord, basically. That's a stroke, my lord. So this is natural death, my lord.
Intracerebral hemorrhage, that can be a stroke.
Yes, my lord. And now, even in this finding is also reflected in the charge sheet. So lordship will kindly come to page 24. Charge sheet starts at page 17. Relevant portion your lordship will find at page 24, my lord. Medical and forensic reports.
24.
24. my lord. Lordship has it, medical and forensic reports, my lord. The postmortem examination was conducted on 2nd April by Dr. So-and-so. Initial report revealed no external injuries on the body. However, internal examination painted a different picture. It documented significant findings: congestion of the brain, presence of subdural hemorrhage, presence of intracerebral hemorrhage. These findings clearly established that the victim died due to massive bleeding inside her skull. The initial PMR kept the final opinion on the cause of death pending the receipt of the viscera analysis report. The subsequent toxicology report from the Directorate of Forensic Science concluded that no poison was detected in the victim's viscera or blood samples. Based on these two reports, the final medical opinion was issued stating that the cause of death was spontaneous intracerebral hemorrhage, natural death. The other part is regarding interpretation of other forensic science, my lord. Serology report gives negative result for presence of spermatozoa. DNA report, no amplifiable DNA.
Yeah, charge has been framed under 302.
302, my lord. And your lordship will see why the police has.
No, it may not be a case of outright discharge sometimes,
My lord.
but it is a powerful finding
Yes.
in favor of.
No,
Whether it will be because
Yes.
it has to be proved.
True.
At least that it will be a case of suppose this overwhelming ocular evidence
Yeah.
in
Yes.
favor of homicide.
Yes, my lord.
But medically, if it is
Yes,
natural, then
medical
it's
evidence
a
may not be.
very significant contradiction.
My lord will kindly
It's a
come
matter of
to
trial.
And
page
for-
23, my lord.
Oh.
Page 23, my lord. The witnesses' testimonies is also reflected in the charge sheet, my lord. Very clearly, page 23.
We can give him some interim and then
My
call for the report.
My lord, otherwise,
Time
your
to
lordship may
take-
kindly see the first framing order. Why trial court, although in spite of having all these materials of forensic evidence, trial court, I found prima facie materials of offense under section 302 against accused Jiten Boro. Accordingly, charge is framed under so
See the
ocular
case
evidence.
diet. See the case diet.
Your lordship may say, but your lordship may grant interim bail because this person is in custody for 81 days. Oh, clearly.
Considering that aspect, only my prayer before your lordship at this stage, scan copy of TCR may be
Your
called
cat
for.
copy will be necessary.
After perusal of the same, if my lord,
Yes,
ocular evidence also
that's
not
true.
there.
Another thing is
Then-
that the postmortem says no external injuries.
Right.
That is also there. So anyway,
Yes.
we'll always see it, but for the moment, we can give him some
My
benefit
lord.
of doubt.
Yes.
Anything else? It was not, I've not seen.
In the witnesses' testimonies and all, they have only said that this person, he was missing. The only material which was found against me, which the IO-driven inference was because I had apparently absconded. Man. Now, if a person dies from a natural death, my absconding from that will not lead to
Funding, yeah, it should not,
inference.
inside the house they were
Yes.
staying.
Yes.
But the medically, it is possible to determine whether a person has died of a massive stroke.
My lord.
Usually.
Yes.
That
Lordship will examine this issue
just
in detail,
develop.
my lord.
As was learned counsel for the petitioner and P. Botak to learn it additional thing. What do you say, Mr. Botak? Anything else you want? Some
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, in spite of having all those materials, my lord, regarding medical report, FSL report, but trial court, why trial court has stated that finding sufficient material against the accused?
because you are not required
Yes.
to state details
Yes.
in a charge framing order. Though
Okay.
if it is challenged, you have to leave the veil and see
So-
inside what are the materials.
Yes, ma'am. There are some other evidence, maybe ocular evidence, my lord, CCTV, something maybe there, ma'am. So that has to
Only
be looked at.
302.
Only 302.
Charge sheet. Third sentence. The petitioner invoking 483 BNSS. The petitioner taking regular bail in connection with Nalbari case number
My lord, sessions
115
case is
No.
there, page 1.
24 under section 302 IPC, which after completion of investigation resulted in a charge sheet under the said penal provision and subsequently registered into sessions case number 26 of 2026 and stated to be presently pending in the court of the learned session judge Nalbari at the stage of trial. The petitioner was arrested on 17/1/2026. The FIR was lodged by one Bulbul Boro on 2/4/2024.
24.
Naming the petitioner as the sole accused. Full stop. The informant is stated to be the landlord of the house where the petitioner and his wife were staying. And it is stated that he on 1/4/2024, he found the petitioner's wife lying dead on the bed in the bedroom and suspected that he had murdered her. The learned counsel has drawn my attention to the PM report, where after the forensic evaluation, the final opinion regarding death has been mentioned as death due to coma as a result of spontaneous intracerebral hemorrhage, within bracket natural death. Full stop. My attention has also been drawn to the narration regarding the medical and forensic report. And reference to the PM report states that there were no external injuries on the body. Full stop. It is submitted that subsequently the learned trial court was pleased to frame charge against the petitioner under section 302 IPC. Call for the scanned TCR of sessions case number at ready, comprising case diary, charge sheet, and other relevant documents. Full stop. However, considering the nature of the opinion rendered regarding the death of the deceased and the finding in the PM report, I am of the considered view that while his bail petition is adjudicated, the petitioner can be granted interim bail, interim bail, as he is also in custody since so and so date, under trial detention since 17/1/2026. In such view of the matter, and so 40,000 with one security of the life amount to the satisfaction of the concerned learned court, Session Judge Nalbari, and subject to the condition that he shall not abscond, he shall be available for the trial, he shall not hamper or tamper with evidence. This is the matter
On 15th of May, man.
15 May.
15 May.
I'm deeply obliged.
This is P as well application, my lord. FIR, my lord, page 15, my lord.
Page 15.
15, particular page.
Translated copies then.
Transfer copies, page 11, my lord.
You can read that. Or you want to read the vernacular, you can read it.
Just.
Medical report will be necessary to see what is the nature of the assault.
My lord, FIR lost, my lord, after 3 days of the occurrence, my lord.
He has given one explanation.
Yes.
He was injured himself.
Well, he did not speak about the hospital, my lord. And
Was
the
admitted at
police
the
station is, my lord, 5 kilometers away from the place of occurrence, my lord. Incident was occurred on 29/1/2016, 26, my lord, and FIR was 1/2/2026, my lord, after 3 days, my lord.
3 days, I mean, if the explanation is found to be bona fide, then it may not be so much delay also.
Yes.
You know, suppose because the victim himself has lost the heart. The learned counsel has taken me to the FIR dated 1/2/2026, where the informant has alleged about being attacked by the petitioner, leading to serious injuries and admission in hospital. Call for the case diary of Sivsagar PS case number 16/26,
Sorry.
along with medical report. Fix on 22.
Yes, 22.
22.
Hello, my lord.
My lord, sir, it is a application, my lord. FIR is page 15, my lord. A dispute over a land matter, over a road, my lord, regarding the without consent, their altercation, and there is a, my lord, a dispute happened in between the parties, my lord. So this FIR is filed.
The FIR is at page 17.
Page 15, my lord.
15, my lord, translated copy.
What is 17? This is another one.
17 is, my lord, there I am going there, my lord. This is the FIR which we have filed earlier, my lord. That is on 7/3/2026 after the incident.
And this FIR is before. or
Yes, my
later.
lord. And now they have filed this FIR after about 15 days, my lord. This FIR they have filed. In reference to our FIR, my lord, the medical examination has been conducted, my lord. That is also at the last page, page number 19, my lord. That may be
What is the
seen.
date of this FIR? I'm not finding the date.
Date is, what should
This is, my lord, in the body statement, my lord, is written.
I'm not finding the date.
6/3/26, same day, my lord, on the day of the incident. My lord.
No, no, no.
Page 10, my lord. Oh, yes, no, no, got it. No,
No, no. They,
no, my lord.
No, no.
FIR registered on 18/3, my lord.
18/3 they have filed of the
Incident,
incident happened on 6/3/2026, my lord. And after the incident, we filed FIR on 7/3/2026, my lord.
Page 10 is the, my lord. 18/3/26 at 7:50.
But after for my lord, this is falsely implicated, my lord.
There is no such injury, according to you.
But their FIR was not registered, my lord.
Not registered.
Our FIR has not been
Well,
registered. Therefore,
whether-
my lord, medical examination conducted. That
Whether
page
they
I-
have filed or not, that is also.
Page 19C, my lord, can you see?
Without registration, how can you be sure?
Yes, yes,
Because otherwise, on the face, looking at this SMR only, it says he's in critical condition.
yes, yes.
Injury with sharp weapons. Now, why it was not registered? 7/3/26. Attacked me because they
Yes,
did
ma'am.
not consider the allegation serious. That is why they did not register. Maybe.
Actually, there is nothing like allegation, my lord. You will prove it, my lord. Only fact is that, my lord, this is afterthought. This is made out of that plan, my lord. You will be protected, my lord.
Heard, the invoking 482 BNSS, the 6 petitioners herein are seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Pathakandi PS 28 of 2026. The case arose out of an FIR dated, date is 18/3.
FIR registered on 18/3, page 10, my lord.
18/3
Top question.
2026. Lodged by Anwara Khanam, naming 7 accused persons with allegations of assault and causing injuries to our family members who had to be hospitalized. The Learned Counsel submits that on 7/3/2026. Who's Abdul Noor? Is the father of
His father of the
Abdul Noor, who is the petitioner number 1 in this bail petition, had filed a FIR against 4 accused persons. How is Anwara Khanam related to these accused persons? Abdul Khalik, Burhanuddin, Abdul Quddus, Matabuddin. How is she related? Wife of Madebuddin.
yes, madam.
She is not related. Had lodged an FIR against 4 accused persons, alleging that the accused persons mentioned therein attacked him in connection with an earlier dispute regarding bringing of soil by a dumper truck. However, it appears that the said FIR was not registered. The contention of the learned counsel at this stage is that the FIR dated 18/3 is a counterblast with distorted and exaggerated allegations, and that the allegation regarding injury is not true. First, call for the case diary of Pathar Gandhi PS case number 28 along with medical report if any. The IO shall also submit a brief report as to whether the FIR dated 7/3/2026 has been registered. And if not, the reasons for the same. This is the matter on
my lord, 24/4.
24/4.
Under interim protection mechanism.
Sorry. Yes. However, in the interim, in the event of arrest of the petitioners in connection with this case, they shall be allowed to go on bail of rupees 20,000 each, with the surety of the like amount each, to the satisfaction of the arresting authority and subject to the conditions that they shall cooperate with the investigation, appear for examination, shall not hamper or tamper with it.
Then on my lord, 7th of May, in case of already protected man.
7th of May.
7th.
7th.
9.
Obliged.
May I please
Yeah.
your lordship, my lord? In this case, a previous bail petition has been filed, my lord, apprehending arrest in connection with a case registered under 118 and 296. 296 is of course bailable and 118(2) is now earlier probably 326. if I'm-
Altercation.
My lord. Now I'm just giving a glimpse for it. My lord, the relevant FIR is a type, frustrated type copy of the FIR is at page
Right.
12. After Shivaratri Puja, my lord, there was
Then-
some scuffle between the two parties, my lord, as a result. And now this man has been discharged in the meantime, my lord. Though there is no statement in the petition because after filing, my lord, instruction has been received that the victim has been discharged from the hospital, my lord. We have also filed an FIR, my lord, but unfortunately that has not been registered. And the accused of this case has also received injury, my lord, in the melee, my lord. There was a free fight, my lord. I have mentioned it at page 6, para 7, my lord.
Anil Sawai.
That the accused applicant begs to say that after the incident, the wife of the accused applicant, Srimati Onamika Shohoria, lost an affair on the same day, that is 15/2 before the OC. Sipada appeared regarding the said assault upon her husband Moon Sohoria, alias Monil Sohoria, by 4 accused persons, namely Moon Sohoria, son of late, Tonkeswar Sohoria, Joyanto Borwa, son of such, Kunal Sohoria, son of such, but unfortunately the said affair has not been registered by the police till date for the reason based known to the police matter. It will be pertinent to mention here that the present FIR was registered after 13 days.
This one,
Registration took place, my lord,
after 13 days.
and the delay has also not been explained. That's honest, like my lord. So I
To
pray
call for the diary only at this stage.
with all respect, but in the meantime, can I be prepared? Because I have also received injury, my lord. So I'll pray, my lord. If I'm wrong, my lord, I may not be
Learned senior
granted the absolute to both the medical report. How about sir?
Yes.
The petitioners hearing are seeking anticipatory bail invoking 482 BNSS in connection with Sipajar case 35 of 26. The case arose out of an FIR dated 15/2/26 lost by one Nileshwari Borwa with the allegation that her nephew Rupam Borwa tried to intervene in an altercation between both the present petitioners, during which he sustained knife injuries and admitted to AIMS Sanctuary for treatment. Also, Learned Senior Counsel submits that the accused persons also sustained injuries in the melee, in the scuffle, and in the meantime, as per his instruction, after filing of the bail petition, the the injured victim, the
Has been
alleged
released,
victim,
discharged from.
alleged victim Rupam Boda has been discharged. Learned counsels 6 interim bail while adjudication of this bail petition. Call for the case diary along with medical reports, the available medical
Ah,
reports
yes.
of all the injured persons.
Nice.
However, in the interim, 25,000 with one security each. And subject to the condition, will cooperate, appear for examination, shall not hamper or tamper with interest. Please stop.
On 6th of May.
My lord, much obliged.
Okay.
It is not. It is 482 bail application also. Offences under section 69 351 clause 2 BNS is not. The FIR type copy FIR on page number 11. May I read the FIR? So allegation is that establishing your lordship physical relation with committing to false marriage from your lord. The relationship was your lordship is consensual. The relationship was declared your lordship with a family disagreement, your lordship. The petitioner belongs to a Muslim family, your lordship, and the informant is a Hindu, your lordship. Prior to lodge this FIR, your lordship, she filed the same complaint against the your Honor same police station, and that was settled, amicably settled, your lordship.
FIR is at page 11.
11, your lordship, type copy of FIR.
Anyway, no. Heard so. Right on same lines. Invoking 482 BNSS, the petitioner is seeking
Interim may be allowed.
anticipatory bail in connection with all women PS case number 10 of 2026 under section 7. Upon perusing the FIR dated 19/3/2026 lodged by the alleged victim woman. It appears that the allegations and the dispute arose out of a relationship between the informant and the petitioner. All for the case there, however, in the interim, 25,000 at once. He'll cooperate, appear, shall not disturb, harm, or harass the informant in any way.
Much obliged, your lordship.
When take the date,
On 17th, 13th of May.
13th May.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Not please, your lordship. 482 application, my lord. The case has been registered under section 126(2), 1182, 109, and section 35 of the BNS, my lord. So far, the section 126(2) is concerned, my lord, that is the willful resistant, bailable in nature, my lord. Section 118(2) is voluntarily causing hurt or grievous hurt by the dangerous weapon or means. Corresponding section is 324, my lord. That is bailable.
326.
324.
Earliest.
324. 119.
Okay.
2. And my lord, section 109 is attempt to murder. That is only the section.
Sharp weapon on neck and head might.
Lordship kindly come to page 14. Lordship will find the FIR.
Case 24 is the rejection order of the trial court.
Page 21 is not the FIR.
Lordship, there are 2 FIRs, my lord. I will take your lordship to the subsequent FIR, my lord. Page 14 is the FIR in which we are seeking bail, my lord.
Seeking bail. Page 14.
14, my lord. Type and translated copy. With due regard, I would like to inform you that on 15/11/2025 at around 10 p.m. nearby Dhamdhama bus stand, when my son Samujjal Das was going to Rak Puja, then the above named accused person suddenly attacked my son with sharp-edged weapons and knife with an intention to kill him. As a result of said assault, he sustained grievous injury in his head and eye. Due to public resistance, somehow his life has been saved. The public immediately shifted and admitted Samujjal Das to Nolbari
civil hospital by 108 ambulance and he is undergoing treatment at the medical college. So this was the FIR, my lord. Now lordship will kindly come to the page 21, my lord. There was an enmity between the petitioner number 1 and the alleged victim. Page 21, my lord. That FIR was lost long back on 30/10/2023, my lord. Informant was the wife of the petitioner number 1. With due regard, I would like to inform you that today at around 10 p.m., while my husband Odhir Das was preparing to close his shop situated at Nolbari Batachok, the above named accused person assaulted my husband with sharp weapon at his neck, face and head, for which he sustained grievous injury and his condition was serious and he was admitted to Nolbari Civil Hospital and being treated there. Hence, to my humble prayer before your good self is that yourself may kindly investigate the matter and take appropriate action against the accused persons. So this case has already been succeeded, my lord, long back in the year 2023
It
itself.
was lost by Ananya Mohanto, who's the wife of
Petitioner number 1.
Odhir Das.
Odhir Das.
Odhir Das.
Your lordship,
Now,
may
lordship,
kindly-
I'd like to take your lordship to the rejection order, my lord.
Rejection order in this petition.
Before by the learned sessions of my lord. Page 24, my lord, relevant para 7, page 25, my lord. Peruse the case diary, including the injury report of the victim, wherein the nature of the injury is mentioned as simple and fresh at the time of examination, that is on 15/11/2025 at 11:30 p.m., my lord. So nature of injury is simple, my lord, admittedly. So, my lord, there is no injury on the vital part of the body, my lord, to attract, my lord, attempt to murder, my lord.
Attempt to murder may
Your
be-
lordship may kindly peruse
Even
paragraph
without
5.
injury, there may be attempt of murder.
Yes, your lordship may kindly peruse paragraph 5 also, grievous injury, my lord.
Where?
The paragraph 5 of the said judge, to page 24, my lord.
No, this is the allegation. Allegation. This is the allegation.
My humble prayer is that, my
Yes.
lord, there is an enmity, my lord, admittedly, since
Oh, sorry.
2023. And what happened, my lord?
Thereafter on
Might
perusal
have
of the-
arisen out of any meeting.
And my lord, on that particular day, on 15/11, my lord, during Raf, this particular victim tried to snatch the chain, gold chain, that I have specifically mentioned, my lord, in my application, gold chain of the wife of the petitioner number 1. And the
Dispute. that is.
public apprehended him, and my lord, there was manhandle by the public. Only because that he was known, our faces were known to the victim, my lord, he has narrated our names. That is the case, my lord. So, my lord, we are ready to cooperate, my lord. In the meantime, we may kindly be protected. Case diary along with the injury report may kindly be called for, my lord.
To make your submissions.
Other your lordship, from the paragraph 7, on perusal of the photographs of the
Yeah,
injured,
that is there.
it is seen that there are multiple injuries on the face, and on the side of the head of the victim. On perusal of the statement of the victim and other witnesses, it is seen that there are specific allegations against the accused petitioner that they assaulted victim Samujjal Das with sharp weapon with intention to kill him. So 109 is also there.
That is the statement of that particular victim.
Sharp motion on the head may come.
Yeah.
May come.
Yes.
May come. Depends. Even without injury also, 307 may come sometimes.
Yes.
Anyway,
And for which 109 of the BNS
but-
is there.
counsel for the four petitioners hearing invoking
Petitioner, three
482
petitioners, my lord.
three petitioners invoking 482 BNSs are seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Nolbari PS case number 328 of 2025. The case arose out of FIR dated 16/11/2025, lost by Queen Das, mentioning 5 accused persons with the allegations that they attacked her son on 15/11/2025, causing grievous injuries on his head and eye. Full stop. They submitted that on 30/10/2023, the wife of
Petition number 1.
this petitioner Odhir Das had lodged an FIR against whom?
The victim, my lord, Samujjal Das. Against the victim.
Against victim
Lordship.
Samujjal Das and 2 others with allegation of assault causing injuries, serious injuries, which was registered into Nalbari PS case number 457 of 2023. And it is submitted that the case has been charged sheet.
Registered as PRC case number 372/24, my lord.
372, you write it down. It is submitted that there's previous enmity between the parties and due to which this affair has been lost upon them. However, from para 7 of the order dated 11/3/2026 passed by the learned trial court, learned sessions court in Nalbari. I find that the injuries have been mentioned as simple and fresh, though photographs indicated multiple injuries on face, ear, and side of the head. Good stuff. Call for the case diary. You write this one. We need not call the other one, right?
Yes.
This is a long time.
That has already succeeded, my lord.
Call for the case diary of this one, 328. You make it bold again. 328, because otherwise there'll be confusion. This 28. Along with medical reports. However, in the interim, 25,000 with 1 cent, which operate appear for examination, not hamper or tamper with evidence, shall not intimidate or harass or harm the informant plus victim side in any manner. Violation will entail cancellation of bail. Please the matter on.
On 14th of May.
14th May.
14th May.
Deeply obliged, lords.
May the lordship. Lordship, this is 42 application, lordship. Lordship, there is no FIR, lordship, because there is some apprehension of arrest for the petitioners.
Distribution of family pension.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, petitioner 1 and the other 3 petitioners are the mother and son, lordship. What happened in this case, lordship? The husband of the petitioner 1 was a teacher of a government LP school, lordship. After retirement, he was getting pension, and in 2006, he died, lordship. Thereafter, the petitioner 1 getting family pension.
She is the wife.
She's a wife of the
First wife.
husband. In the lordship, existing period of the husband of the petitioner, lordship, she got second married also, second married.
Much.
Lordship, her name is Aimana Khatun. Aimana Khatun, lordship, after getting family pension, lordship, the first wife, that is petitioner 1, also paying some maintenance to the second wife, lordship.
The first wife remarried.
Yes, lordship.
Remarried.
Till now, lordship, also the Aimana Khatun, that is second wife, also getting maintenance from the first wife. That is as per order of the Honorable High Court, lordship. Now the second wife, son of the second wife, lordship, filed some false complaint before, lordship, one outpost, this Mondia outpost, lordship, under Bagbad police station.
She's not giving her share of pension.
Yes, lordship. This allegation, lordship.
What offense?
The police visiting house of the petitioner and threatening the petitioner to arrest.
Those are sons.
Yes, lordship.
Adults. The heard Mr. Your good name, please?
Yes, Islam, lordship.
Yes, Islam. What do you say? You want to say something?
I will get a report, my lord, whether.
Get a report. We have
Also,
time
police
constraint after
police-
vacation.
Yes, sir.
I'll pass some injury model. The 4 petitioners invoking 482 BNSS are seeking anticipatory bail, though with regard to a possible complaint in the Mandia outpost under Bagbor PS, Borpeta district. So, however, they do not have details of the police case or complaint. It is submitted that the petitioner number 1 was the wife is getting family pension of her husband, who was a teacher, and the other petitioners are her son. It is stated and submitted that her husband during his lifetime contracted second marriage, and that son of the said second wife has probably lodged a complaint, false complaint against the petitioners. Call for a report from the concerned police station regarding details of any complaint filed or case registered first. Till the returnable date, the petitioner shall not be subjected to any courtship action. This is the matter on.
Lordship, kindly see the lordship para 9 lordship for a moment lordship. May I read lordship? Para 9 lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, on 31/3/2026.
I've read it.
Oh, lordship.
I'm gone. Proceed. That'll come. That'll take care of it.
I'm deep
On
numbers.
12/5, my lord.
12/5.
I'm deep numbers.
No, no, better.
My pleasure, Your Lordship. It is substituted case, Your Lordship. Substituted case, Your Lordship, and page 12 is the FIR, Your Lordship. Here in the,
Absconder, my lord.
in the search sheet, he has been declared an absconder, Your Lordship, and thereafter, Your Lord, page 12.
Page 12.
Page 12 is the FIR, Your Lordship. I'm reading.
We can quickly go through it because it's already charged sheet. What happens? Following.
I'm reading it, Your Lordship.
Mm.
It is respectfully stated that as per Lokhipur PS CD number so-and-so, 1/6/2025 at night, I along with the staff of Lokhipur Police Station were engaged in night patrolling of various area under Lokhipur Police Station. 1/27/2025 at night about 12:40 AM while proceeding towards Garabiris from Lokhipur Shibari, found one Rafiqul Islam lying with injuries near at Garabiris, wearing with his official dress, who is a homeguard of
Your
Lokhipur.
lordship may kindly peruse page 33 and 34. my lord.
This is the FIR, right? Against two persons.
Yes, and 2 person name was mentioned in the FIR, Your Lordship, and the petitioner's name was also there.
Petitioner is the these two
Amir,
persons.
petitioner is Amir Hamza, Your Lordship.
Only Amir Hamza.
And
which
thereafter,
pa-
Your Lordship, the investigation was done, Your Lordship, and such sheet was submitted showing the petitioner as absconder. And based upon that such sheet, Your Lordship, a case was
26.
A case being PRC case number 426 of the 2025 was registered, and presently it is pending before the additional CGM Golfra, Your Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly have a look at page 31, Your Lordship, kindly see. In page 31, Your Lordship, 1, 2, in fourth para, Your Lordship, summons issued to co-accused, namely Amir Hamza, and he is the petitioner here in Your Lordship, has not been returned after proper service. Despite of that fact, Your Lordship, the warrant of arrest has been issued against the petitioner. So my apprehension is that, Your Lordship, once he will appear, Your Lordship, before the court below, he would be taken in custody, Your Lordship. But
He was directed to surrender.
yes,
On a trial court.
And thereafter, my lord,
Yes.
also page 34, your lordship.
30. Yeah, you wanted to show me which pair?
Page 33, that is my lord direction earlier to surrender before the
a
the
bail
accused
petition
petitioner-
was moved before the session court, Your Lordship,
and
this
and
was-
on filing face a bail application, the client trial court shall consider same as follow. Thereafter, 34, my lord, it appears from the record that after summons being served on the accused Amir Hamza, this court issued non-bailable warrant against him as he failed to appear in the court. The accused subsequently filed a pre-arrest bail application before the Honorable Additional Session Judge Golfra, and the said Honorable Court by
What's the
the
sections? Are they punishable with life imprisonment or death?
307 is
307.
307
the
and
accused, however, failed to surrender before the court today in view of the above.
118 subsection 2 and 309, Your Lordship, hearing. And the case is presently pending before the comitial court, Your Lordship, and the comitial court is not in a position to give bail. As per the embargo, as provided in
No, the
section.
committal court, before the, it is not yet been committed.
Yes.
But he should have appeared. He violated a
In page
condition.
38, Your Lordship, I have annexed on.
Anyway,
Page 38, Your Lordship, kindly have a look. That means I am also praying, Your Lordship, similar order, Your Lordship, hearing also, Your Lordship. In here, Your Lordship, the case was pending before the comitial court, and the bail was granted
on the condition that the committal court is not in a position to grant bail, Your Lordship, as per section 481, Roman 1, Your Lordship.
এই কেসটি অকমান দেৰি হ'ব তাৰমানে ৰিপৰ্টটো পাম
Because, Your Lordship, the petitioner, he is suffering from tuberculosis, Your Lordship, and the relevant documents also. At base 36, Your Lordship, I have annexed the relevant documents, Your Lordship. So my prayer is, Your Lordship,
He's suffering from TB.
yes, the 36. This is the identity card given by the concerned authority, Your Lordship.
He's a TB patient.
Yes,
Yes, I think.
and he is ready to.
Let him remain outside. He should take his treatment. Get well. Or Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel, and additional PPP brought up. The petitioner, namely so and so, invoking 482 PNS, seeking anticipatory bail in connection with PRC number 426 of 2025, arising out of Lakhipur PS case number 22 of 2025. The allegation FIR dated 10/2/25 was that one home guard slash victim was found lying with injuries, and he stated that when he was rescued, he stated that Azmal Haq, Amir Hamza, and 4 or 5 other persons had injured him by assault, by way of assault. The learned court below has issued an NBWA against the petitioner. The petitioner had preferred anticipatory bail before the learned sessions court, which was disposed of with the direction to surrender, but he has not done so, and it is submitted on his behalf that, considering the nature of the penal provisions involved and the limitations on granting of bail on the part of the learned trial court, learned committal court, he has preferred this present petition. Drawing attention to relevant annex document being, this is this annexure, which is document they submitted. The petitioner is a TB patient who is undergoing treatment and also been issued an identity card. The other accused is on bail.
Yes.
The other accused named in the FIR is stated to be on bail. The Learned Counsel has annexed a copy of order dated 19/5/25 passed by this court in AB 979 of 2025, granting bail in similar circumstances. In the given, upon considering the materials and the submissions, I allowed his bail petition, and accordingly, it is directed that in the event of his arrest in connection with this allowed to bond 50,000 with one security of the like amount. The satisfaction of the arresting authority.
It will be additional.
And subject to the condition that he shall appear before the learned court below on next and as and when required. Next, he shall be available for trial if one commences. He shall not hamper or temper evidence. He shall not in any manner try to influence witnesses or try to harm or harass the informants as victims. Violation of the bail condition to entail cancellation of the bail. The petitioner, upon appearance, may submit fresh bail bonds before the learned trial court, whereupon necessary orders shall be passed. Hereupon. then petition stands disposed of.
Herein the satisfaction, it will be, your lordship,
Additional citizen.
additional citizen. Okay.
No, you write like that only, but you'll submit the forms. With the warrant is also there.
52 may kindly be taken up after some time. I will get the report. Yesterday also this matter was listed.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, before I place the affair in question, lordship, I want to place the identity of the petitioner, lordship. Here, page 11, lordship. The petitioner before your lordship is a supplier of garment, lordship, which has been duly registered under Gauhati Municipal Corporation and in the which has been registered in the name of HA Traders, lordship. This document will
Okay. What happened then?
yeah. Now, lordship, during the course of this business, lordship, he came across with a person called Rupjyoti, lordship, who introduced himself as a agent of HSBC Bank, lordship, and he used to take all the vehicles on rent, lordship. And the petitioner, including his family member and other his known persons of from the business community, lordship, has for availing some financial help, lordship, rented their vehicle, lordship. Thereafter, all was well, lordship. For last 3 years, they were, including the petitioner's family, all were receiving the rent in proper. We used to execute this agreement and used to pay the rent regularly, lordship. From the month of October, lordship, this Rupjyoti stopped paying rent to all the person, including petition. Pursuant to that, lordship, petitioner went for filing an affair in the Hatigao police station, lordship, and that I have annexed at the page page 21 of my application, wherein this information that Rupjyoti has taken vehicles from all the owners, lordship. This information was transmitted to the police station. However, lordship, this affair of the petitioner has not, the police did not act on it. Subsequently, some affair was lodged against this Rupjyoti and involving petitioner also, lordship. And consequent to that, lordship, what happened? Petitioner was taken in custody in one of the case, in two of the case, lordship. And I have annexed bail order, lordship. And bail order at page 16. Lordship's order. Herein, lordship, petitioner was in custody since 5/2/2026, and in terms of lordship order, he was released on in terms of lordship order and another case, lordship, he was finally released on 20th. Now, lordship, meanwhile, while the petitioner was in custody, lordship, this affair, the present affair, lordship, at page 15, lordship, at page 15 has been registered involving petitioner also, lordship. Now, lordship, I'm reading the affair, contents of the affair, lordship. With due respect, humble submission, I have the honor to report this 7/3/2026. That is during the custody period, lordship. I have the honor to report that I have conducted an inquiry into a petition jointly filed by so-and-so, so-and-so. During inquiry, it was revealed that Mr. Deepak Kumar is the registered owner of so-and-so, bearing registered so-and-so, is registered owner of so-and-so. So-and-so informant stated two person, namely Rupjit Das, Dipen Sharma, visit their residence and informed them the required vehicles on rent. Accordingly, both parties entered into an agreement and vehicles were handed over to them on rental basis. On 25/7/2024, Rupjyoti Das took possession of the Kia so-and-so, so-and-so. Thereafter, another Dipen Sharma took possession of so-and-so, so-and-so from their residence located at so-and-so. Both Rupjyoti Das and Dipen Sharma paid agreed rent for a few months. However, after some day, they suddenly stopped making rental payments. At present, they neither paying the agreed rent nor returning the vehicles despite repeated requests made by the owners. The complainant parties strongly suspect that the said persons have dishonestly and fraudulently misappropriated the vehicles. and may have sold, transferred, or otherwise disposed of them to third parties without knowledge, consent, causing them severe financial loss. During course of inquiry, it has further been found that the above named accused person are habitual offenders and have allegedly created nexus in Gauhati area by collecting a large number of vehicles from owners on pretext of renting them. It has come to light that they have already been arrested by Gauhati police in connection with several cases registered under so Nunmati PS case, where Lordship has the petitioner was
he was arrested.
suffered detention. And Chandmari PS, the petitioner was not asked for. Dispur PS case not asked for. Hatikau PS petitioner not asked for. Bosishta PS case 23, Lordship has granted bail here. A large number of vehicles has reportedly been recovered from their possessions. Now, question Lordship, the vehicle were in question that has been recovered, and it was well within the knowledge that these two petitioner is suffering petitioner. Now, my humble respectful submission is that Lordship petitioner suffered almost a 60 days detention period, and this is a noticeable offense, Lordship. After Lordship agreement, also in question, Lordship, and rent, they have received the rent also, and vehicle in question are already been recovered. Petitioner suffered judicial custody, Lordship, for a considerable period, knowing fully aware that petitioner never sought for sworn arrest or custodial interrogation, never visited jail, Lordship. Now, once they got the information that petitioner is on bail, Lordship, and petitioner father is, I have also annexed a document, Lordship, at 20, Lordship. Petitioner father is suffering very, very seriously, Lordship. He had to take to JNRC even. Primarily, he was admitted here, Lordship, that is page 20, Lordship. And pursuant to that, only an order for bail has been, now he's completely busy in looking up, he being the only caregiver of the family, Lordship. He's looking after his family. And now, once they come to know that he is on bail, Lordship, they are without issuing any notice, which is mandated by the Honorable Apex Code, that this sort of offenses notice is mandatory, Lordship. They're not issuing any notice. They're looking for petitioner, Lordship.
If they want to arrest him,
Your Lordship may kindly come to second paragraph. First part, I will not specifically name Rupjyoti Das and the present petitioner, my lord. Against the present petitioner, including the present case, there are total 7 cases going on against the present petitioner.
no, 1, 2, 3.
During the course of
4, 5.
inquiry, it has further been found that the above named accused persons are habitual offenders and have allegedly created a nexus in Gauhati area by collecting a large numbers of vehicles from owners on the pretext of renting them. It has also come to light that they have already been arrested by Gauhati police in connection with several cases registered at different police stations. Namely, so and so, there are total, my lord, 6, including this present case, 7, my lord. A large number of vehicles have reportedly been recovered from their possession or at their instance from different locations in Arunachal Pradesh and other areas of Assam. So, your lordship may kindly see how the modus operandi of these two present accused petitioners were. Initially, they took the vehicle on being trusted by the owners of the vehicles. Luxurious vehicles were handed over to them, and initially for some days they paid rent. And thereafter, without their knowledge, my lord, they sold it to third parties, my lord. Even in the state of Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram. And so, whether this person is entitled for any anticipatory bail, man.
Lordship,
So this is my humble submission.
Being fully aware that petitioners are suffering, are in custody, Lordship. Had it been the case that, in fact, his custodial detention, they could have come
And my
to
lord,
whether.
regarding granting of bail in other cases, that is, my lord, that was BA, my lord, considering the length of detention.
Petitioner, where two
It is
cases,
a different case, my lord.
custody was sought for already, unless
Third piece of learned counsel for the petition and e-body. Invoking 482 BNSS, the petitioner is seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Gorsuk PS case number 50 of 2026 under so and so. The case arose out of an FIR dated 7/3/2026, lost by SI DJ Sharma of Gorsuk PS. The allegations are that the petitioner and another person named Rupjyoti Das have taken vehicles on rent from persons, 2 of whom have been named on on agreement of paying rent. And after initially paying the rent, stopped paying the same. And and did not return the vehicles as well. It is stated that during the course of inquiry, it has been found that the accused persons named in the FIR are habitual offenders and have a nexus, have created a nexus in Gauhati area by collecting vehicles with that modus operandi and on the pretext of renting them. Full stop. It is also alleged that about 5 cases are pending against them, the particulars of which have been given. It is also stated in the FIR that large number of vehicles have been recovered from their possession from different locations in Arunachal Pradesh and other areas of Assam. Full state. Let us call for the diary only at this stage. Call for the case diary. The call for the case diary from the concerned police station. This is the matter on
28/4. 28/4.
22nd we fixed lordship.
You can give it in that week, no issues. 23rd, 24th.
Yes, no, 24/4.
Obliged lordship.
The second bail application lordship and FIR your lordship will find page 12. The allegation was that lordship the FIR named accused person, they took the JCB of the informant and which was not returned to him. According to this FIR was long. And after lodging of the FIR, the petitioner approached before this honorable court and this honorable court was pleased to grant him interim bail. That your lordship will find page 19.
Yes, later it was.
Later it was rejected that page 22 is the impugn order. That some money, it is page paragraph 9, page 23, your lordship will find that the prosecution submits that money pertains to sale of the JCB was supposed to come into the account of the petitioner. Supposedly to come into the account of the petitioner. And the investigation is examining the bank documents. So this was the observation. Now, what my submission to your lordship is that the FIR named accused persons were arrested and they were granted bail. And during perusal of that those orders, what I find subject to correction of lordship, the lordship may say page 27. 25 is one order, 26/7 is another order. I am referring to page 27. Last paragraph, your lordship will find, second last paragraph, gone through the case diary and TCR.
27?
Yes,
Oh.
page 27.
Got it.
Gone through the case diary and TCR. From the case diary, it appears that accused has been languishing in jail for last 54 days. And that the recovery of the alleged misappropriated article might take considerable time. Case diary reveals that since after 12/12/25, no further progress in the investigation could be observed. So the last entry was that. And now what I'm pointing, next thing, lordship may kindly say page 29. This is the order of co-accused who were granted anticipatory bail. Here what happened, lordship will find the petitioner's name is similar to present petitioner, which was probably not pointed out to your lordship when the earlier your lordship.
Present petitioner's name?
Zahirul Islam.
Zahirul Islam.
And there also that one Zahirul Islam is there, he was granted anticipatory bail. So whether the allegations are relating to this petitioner or to that Zahirul, that probably requires clarification, lordship.
Jahirul and Jahirul. Both are Jahirul.
Yes, only that JA and JE. That is the distinction. And lordship, I am praying for some protection, lordship. Earlier also he was on interim bail, he never misused that liberty, lordship.
Mr. Bosso. Page 20, 2 and 3. The Lord Counsel fairly submits that an earlier bail petition was rejected on 6/2/2026 in AB 84 of 2026, though he was granted interim bail earlier in that petition. it is also submitted that one Jahirul Islam, J.E. Islam, who is one of the accused. In this case was granted pre-arrest bail by the learned additional session judge Morigaon on 3/12/2025. It is submitted that it needs to be ascertained as to whether the present petitioner Jahirul Islam and the said co-accused Jahirul Islam are one and the same. Not one
Not
and the same
one and
person.
same, Lordship. That allegations are relating to me or that Jahirul Islam.
But
here only the case is that, my lord.
Allegations really pertain to the present petitioner or the other co-accused of similar name.
My lord, here, my lord, in this case, my lord, there is the alia, my lord, it is rejected on 6 to
No, no, the
2020.
CD has come.
No, my
this
lord,
is
the
a
today,
motion.
yes, motion stage, my lord. Earlier, the matter was rejected on, my lord, 6 to 2002 to 2026. So at this stage, my lord, as because my lord was pleased to reject the, my lord, prayer, my lord, the updated CD may be called for.
Interim was also vacated. So this aspect may be, that's why I've narrated.
Yes, my lord.
So
That
that
is,
can
my
be
lord, there,
certain.
but my lord was pleased to reject after perusal of the CD, my lord.
Said it. Immediately after reopening.
Yes, my lord, immediately after reopening, my lord.
Call for the updated case diary from the concerned police station. This is the matter on 20, 21, 22.
Yes, my lord. 22, my lord. 21, my lord. 21.
Just a matter. 55. No, that's, I'll finish.
May please, your lordship. My lord, here in this case, what was the happened, lordship? May lordship submit the background, lordship, of that case, lordship. Lordship, the petition number 3 purchased a plot of land, lordship, for from the father of the informant, lordship, in the year 1982, lordship. And since then, the said plot of land is under our possession, lordship, and we have been growing the lordship paddy over the said plot of land, lordship. And recently, lordship, in the year 2025, lordship, the 3 sons of that, that is, 3 brothers of the informant, lordship, filed a title suit, lordship, against us. And we received the summons. Accordingly, we filed our written statement, lordship. And on the day of alleged incident, lordship, on 12/3/2026, lordship, while we went to the said plot of land to harvest our paddy, lordship, which was grown over their, lordship, they attacked on us, lordship. Accordingly, some altercation, lordship. And on 13/3, lordship, we lodged an FIR against them. And on 18/3, they lodged an FIR against us. Both the FIR were registered, lordship.
The land is stated to be in your possession.
That is in our possession, lordship.
The title suit is going on?
Title suit is going on, lordship. Title suit, lordship, page 23, summons, lordship, which we have received.
So this was lodged subsequently.
Subsequently.
Both have been registered.
Both have been registered in the same provisions, lordship, same penal provisions.
And your FIR is at?
Our FIR, lordship, page 46, type copy, lordship.
It was registered as Gosaigaon 58.
58, lordship. And on 22/3, it is registered, and against us, that is their FIR 57, lordship. That is also registered on lordship.
How come it is earlier?
On same day, both were registered, lordship, after preliminary inquiry, lordship. Under the same provisions of law.
Any serious head injuries, fractures?
But
serious injuries are alleged, actually.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to call for both the cases.
Yes, ma'am. Both the case there is because cross FIR, my lord.
Because we do not know at this stage.
Only, lordship, may I pray, lordship, petition number 5 is an practicing advocate, lordship, and 12 is a lady, lordship. So if lordship, your lordship grant.
Where is he practicing? Here?
He is in Pukrajar, lordship. And 12 is the lady, lordship, the wife of the petition number 3, lordship.
But,
otherwise, immediately after vacation, lordship, your lordship may fix it. So
you can take it on 20th also.
Yes.
20 also you can.
Yes, ma'am.
If it comes.
Immediately.
Yes.
Let us see both the series. In this mutual
Along with the
cases,
injury
it's very
report.
difficult to make out sometimes.
Yes, sir.
Who's right, who's wrong? Maybe both are wrong.
Yes.
Call for the case diaries of Gosaigaon PS case number 57 of 26 and Gosaigaon PS case number 58 of 26, along with medical reports, if any.
Yes.
List on when? 21 or 28th?
21, my lord. Because
21?
because 19 days, my lord, holiday. 21.
Short break, huh? Did also the hearing. Next.
2021 CD received.
CDS come
CD received.
earlier.
2021 CD received.
Okay. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, 57 days behind the bar, lordship.
22, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
Lordship, this is the fourth occasion case diary has not come, lordship. Statutory period is going to be over, lordship. 50 days, 57 days behind the bar, lordship.
Then, this is 60-day offense. Kindly cross check it, Mr. Wataku. Kindly cross check.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly enlarge it on bail, lordship. Statutory period is going to be over. Allegation is 318 for punishment is up to 7 years, lordship.
Allegations are a bit serious. Allegations are a bit serious. Anyway, but
It's
please
false,
cross check
lordship.
that one.
There was no recovery of money from the
From this
petitioner.
At 2, I will try to
Position,
get the
lordship, kindly,
instruction
lordship.
regarding whether if search sheet submitted or why
Oh.
CD has not sent me.
No, you can, you'll
I'll
take
try-
instructions.
I'll try-
Two of them. Yes.
His lordship. Lordship. Serious.
23 CD received, my lord. Raju Ali, my lord, with a veteran, my lord, same state, sir, my lord. Earlier also, your lordship was pleased to reject in other cases, my lord. In the present case, this is, my lord, Raju Ali, Jalukbari PS 5326.
Lordship, in the instant case, lordship, petitioner has been shown arrested on 18 to 2026. And in this for PS case number 72/2026, in this case, lordship, petitioner has already been alleged on bail.
What is the? He's involved in other cases also.
Yes, ma'am. Involved in other cases also. In one case, Jalukbari 50, your lordship has rejected, my lord, and regarding this is in Boshisto PS. Also,
Heard. Learned counsel. Invoking for the petitioner is being regular bail. Jalukbari case 53/26. He was arrested on 18/2/2026. The allegation in the FIR dated 4/2026.
in this case, shown arrested, my lord.
Is
Shown
that
arrest.
use shown arrest? Is that he snatched away the gold chain of the informant at a junction, at the road junction, and the value of the stolen chain was about 1.8 lakhs. The case there is received.
Yes, yes.
The learned counsel noted additional PP submits that apart from the materials in the instant case, he is also being prosecuted and investigated in two other cases.
Yes, other
Two
cases.
other cases. Two other cases pertaining to similar offense of snatching. It is submitted by prosecution that the materials indicate the petitioner to be a habitual offender. In the circumstances, the bail petition stands rejected at this stage, returned by the case that. See later. Okay.
25.
Twenty-five.
25.
25.
pages.
Lordship, he is behind the bar for 2 days, 64 days.
Before this,
And medical report was.
the allegation.
109 is also there, 1182, 126.
Stabbing injury.
Stabbing, yes, Lord.
So anyway, diary will be necessary. Get the case diary on the next date, okay? The case diary is not received, full stop. Issue reminder for the case diary along with medical report. List on.
On my lord, 22/4.
If statutory period is completed in meantime, you have to approach the district court. Because they are
Yes, Lord.
3. No. Okay. May not be. No. List on
22/4.
22/4.
26 of like that. May I please, Your Lordship?
26, my lord,
Regular
search sheet submitted, my lord, in this case.
Yes, tell me.
Regular bail application, Lordship. The 42 days in custody, Lordship. Your Lordship, may kindly see the FIR page number 12, Lordship. May I read the FIR? Page number 12 is the FIR, Lordship, vernacular FIR, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে আজিৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 2 বছৰৰ পূৰ্বে মোৰ জন্ম সন্তান হোৱাৰ বাবে মোক চোৱা চিতা কৰিবলৈ মোৰ বাইদেউ চোৱেনচো আমাৰ ঘৰত মোক আলপৈচান কৰিবলৈ আহে মহোদয়ৰ জ্ঞাততে জনাও যে মোক এসপ্তাহমান আগত মোৰ বাইদেৱে অন্ততা হয় যিটো অতি ৰহস্যজনক পাছত বিচাৰ আলোচনা কৰি গম পোৱা গ'ল যে আমাৰ একেগাঁৱৰে থমাস চেতিয়া নামৰ ব্যক্তিজনে মোৰ বাইদেউক বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ দাবী ধমকিৰে শাৰীৰিক সম্পৰ্ক গোপনে কৰে যাৰ বাবে আজি এই পৰিস্থিতিৰ উদ্ভৱ হয় This is a simple affair, Lordship. And if you go by the definition of rape, Lordship, of laid under section
It may not be according to you.
63, Lordship.
My sister deciding as a caretaker of the child.
No. If we go with the section 63, Lordship, the seven circumstances that is described to fall under section 64(1), Lordship. No circumstance has been fall under this FI, Lordship.
Anyway, so
Scan copy of PCR.
no, yeah, no. The charge sheet has been submitted.
Search sheet submitted, my lord. That's as per my instruction, search sheet submitted.
42
Should
days
we
in
call
custody.
for or dispose it of?
Your lordship may dispose it of also.
Thanks. Heard please with your learned counsel for the petitioner and additional PP. 483, seeking regular bail in connection with Kibahagor PS case number 36 of 26. The section. Petitioner was arrested on 25/2. Stop. The gist of the allegations in the FIR dated 24/2/2026 is that the elder sister of the informant was living in his house and the petitioner induced her into illicit relationship, making her pregnant. It is stated by the prosecution that in the meantime, investigation stood completed, resulting in a charge sheet. In the above facts and circumstances, the petitioner is hereby allowed to go on bail of ₹50,000 with one surety of the like and to the satisfaction of the concerned learned court and subject to the condition that he sees a measure, right?
Measure, Lordship.
Subject to the condition that he shall
Measure could follow.
be available for trial upon commence, shall not hamper or tempt to be. He shall not in any manner intimidate or harm or harass the informant. Violation of bail conditions will entail cancellation of disposal.
How will I do?
Yes, Mr.
May I please, Your Lordship? Then accused Saurabh Mamlakar was behind bars since last 39 days. And in this case, my Lordship, the alleged main accused was already granted 3 years back. And 2 other was also granted by my lord. And he's a student, my Lordship.
Diary has come.
Case diary received, my lord.
He was not involved, my Lordship.
What happened? Incident?
He's a student, my Lordship. He was along with his friend only when he was arrested, my Lordship.
Case diary, I have not found any medical report, my lord. Medical report is not there.
In FIR, my lordship, the group was led by Sri Navajyoti Lama and
Lama.
Srimati Malika Lama, and they were already granted PR as well, my lordship. One interim one on 7 March and 20 March, and another two of the accused, my lordship.
Okay, came in 7 motorcycles and 2 wheelers, 2 4-wheelers.
Sagar Hazong and Dhimanjyoti Halai was also granted well, my lordship, on 26 March only.
What is his name? This
Saurabh Jyoti Malaka.
Prohibitions Malak. His name, but according to you, he's not involved.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to see from diary. He was arrested on which day?
It is a land dispute, my
On
lordship.
28th.
True never, man. We are arrested on 28 February, my lordship.
23rd.
39 days already. I have the printed copy of bail order, my lordship, of main accused, my
You
lordship,
can give me.
in which it was mentioned that it has been submitted on behalf of that there is a dispute between the informant and the accused Navajyoti Lama regarding purchase of plot of land, my lordship.
It's still, I mean, that's.
And he's a student, my lordship. Sarojiti Malakar is a student of 1920 years, my lordship.
Yes.
Yes, but otherwise his statement I have done from the contents of the FIR. IO has stated that CCTV footage is also there on that day, my lord. And prima facie, it seems that, my lord, yes, that they are actually, my lord, the present accused person, they are actually hired by one Navajyoti Lama, my lord. Prima facie, it seems, for committing that offense on that particular day, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, although regarding assault and thereafter some injury in the FIR is there, but regarding that aspect, I do not find any medical report in the CD, my lord. Any injury report regarding. He, my lord, hired by the main accused person, Navajyoti Lama, already obtained bail, my lord. Interim bail, my lord.
On 20 March is that.
Otherwise,
There
from
are
the
materials against him.
statement of witnesses, I have not specifically found that anyone has directly named the present accused petitioner, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, from the other statement of the witnesses and the report of the IO, it seems that on that day, that incident in fact occurred. All these accused persons
Were
on being,
present. But-
on all these accused persons on being leaded by my lord Navajyoti Lama, on that day entered in the my lord that premises of the informant, and thereafter all these that incident happened. And during that incident, my lord, they attacked all those persons who are there at that point of time, my lord. And regarding some injury from the contents of the FIR, some person injured, but regarding that aspect, I do not find any injury report in the case there.
Let's see. Third, 483, Sansari PS 47 of 26. And he was arrested on same day. Was arrested on which he was arrested on which day? 28 to 2026. He faced the case arose out of FIR dated 27 to 2026. Lost by one Hemanto Pegu. The allegations that on that day, and in the late hours, at around 1 AM, the mob of 20-30 persons comprising men and women armed with weapons trespassed into their residence, led by one Navajyoti Lama and his wife Malika Lama. It is alleged that they launched a violent attack on their relatives, destroyed articles, and threatened people, and took away the money of rupees 50,000. Later, upon gathering of people and police, 6 of the miscreants were apprehended from the place. 10 persons are named in the FIR, including the present petitioner, who is stated to be a student aged about 19 years. The case diary has been received. It is submitted by the learned additional PP that no medical report is available in the case diary. Good stuff. And that though the note of the IO has stated about the incident in the presence of the accused persons, but he did not notice any direct implication with regard to the petitioner from the statements of witnesses. Just correct me, huh? There's nothing.
Yes, sir.
Witness also. Considering
But from the CCTV footage and my lord, other, my lord,
CCTV footage.
his presence, my lord,
Yeah.
was there. That is stated by the.
however, the IO stated about his presence from the CCTV footage. Nevertheless, it is submitted by the learned counsel that the aforementioned main accused, so and so Lama, Navajyoti Lama has been enlarged on bail in the meantime. The facts and circumstances and also considering the length of detention. Full stop. Dash. You are allowed to go on bail of rupees 35,000 with one security, 40,000 with one security of the like. Subject to the following conditions, we shall operate with remaining investigation, shall not hamper or temporary duty, shall not indulge in any illegal activities or offenses or any activities in breach of peace. Violation will entail cancellation of the return case there. Disposed.
Obligement.
May I please also, here CD was called for, possibly it's not there,
28, my lord,
not tomorrow, man.
CD not received, my.
Tomorrow.
What happened here, during Holi, there was a fist fight between the informant's husband and the petitioner. They have inserted 326. It was basically a fist fight.
But only fist fight.
It was a fist fight, yes,
Yes, there is not received today. Issue reminder fixed tomorrow.
From Holi, yes, ma'am. Obliged, ma'am. Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, this is regular bail application, my lord. I am behind the bar since 19 days, my lord. I was on police remand for 5 days. I have been thoroughly interrogated, my lord. My lord, first of all, kindly see page number 12.
My lord, item number 29 and 6. My lord, both may kindly be taken up together, my lord.
6.
Same, my lord.
Oh, you are saying this.
Item number 29 and
Okay.
6.
My lord, kindly page number 13. First. The initial affair lodged by
Who's
the,
represent? Who's in 6? You're 6. Item 6.
my lord, subject urgent complaint regarding theft of 19 cows from Goshala.
Yes, sir.
I Mainuddin Sasensa. I am working as a worker at the said
I remember.
Goshala along with my 13, my lord.
Mhm.
With my family where around 30 cows are kept. About 2 months ago, 2 persons, namely Suleiman Ali, the present petitioner, my lord, and Zakir Ali, phone number Sasensas, came to the Goshala and sometimes stayed there on the previous night at around 8 p.m. Both of
Next
them-
morning it was
My lord.
the
My lord,
allegation of selling it, right?
My lord. My lord, now page number 12, my lord. My lord, I have bona fidely purchased, my lord. The owner himself sold it to me, my lord. Now page number 12, my lord. Second paragraph, my lord. According the matter was entered into JLB OP GD number Sasen and entrusted upon me for causing an inquiry. During the course of inquiry, the petitioner, namely Mainuddin Sheikh, was examined and statement recorded on examination of the fact disclosed by the petitioner did not corroborate with the matter of the petition, raising a sense of suspicion over the entire episode. Henceforth, petitioner was thoroughly interrogated, wherein the petitioner finally revealed that on the night of 17/3/2026, the owner of the Goshala, namely Yaqub Ali, had a feast with the two close acquaintance, namely Suleiman Ali and Zakir Ali of Palhaji Borkota with the Goshala premises. During the course of their sitting, the owner Yaqub Ali called upon the petitioner Mainuddin Sheikh and ordered him to hand over the cows to Suleiman Ali and Zakir Ali as per their requirement. After the feast is over in the midnight, thereafter, while they were shifting the cows over a 1109 truck. He fell also asleep in the meantime. When he wake up the next morning at around 4 a.m., he found 19 numbers of cows gone missing from the Goshala, and accordingly the owner Yaqub Ali instructed him to lodge an FIR at Jalukbari OP. Now, under the above facts and circumstances, it is clearly evident that the owner Yaqub Ali, in close connivance with the co-accused, namely Suleiman Ali and Zakir Ali, has the conspiracy of illegally transporting the cows for the purpose of selling without a
Yes,
lawful order.
that day we had seen, I remember.
My lord, now page number 18, my lord. Kindly for a moment, my lord. 18, last para, my lord. This is the forwarding report of the co-accused, my lord, owner Yaqub Ali. Last para, 18 page, last paragraph, my lord. During inquiry, it has been revealed that the accused Yaqub Ali, being the custodian of the Goshala, dishonestly sold 19 cattle to co-accused Suleiman Ali and his associates on 17/3/2026 at net rupees such and such. Now, my lord, for a moment, page number 15, my lord.
15.
15, 1-5. My lord, third paragraph from bottom, my lord. During the course of inquiry, the statement of the petitioner was found to be inconsistent with the initial allegation. Upon sustained interrogation, it was revealed that no theft had occurred. Instead, on the night of such and such, the owner of Goshala Yaqub Ali, in collision with Suleiman Ali and Zakir Ali, and organized a gathering and subsequently detected 19 cattle to hand over to them. Further, it came to light that the said cattle was sold at rupees such and such. So, my lord, I am a bona fide person. I am behind the bar since 19 days. I have thoroughly interrogated. So, my lord, Yaqub Ali, where the owner of the Goshala has already been detained, my lord. So, my further custodial detention may not be required. At any condition, my lord.
Yaqub Ali is the other bail, right? This person is?
I am Suleiman Ali, my lord.
Suleiman, who purchased the?
My lord, I have purchased.
Any documents you have regarding purchase?
No, my lord, I cannot, as because the petitioner is inside the jail, so I could not able to produce the documents.
Anyway.
At any condition, my lord. Yes, because I was
Item number 6 is the, my lord, that is owner of the Goshala. I will point out to your lordship, my lord. Regarding, because I will point out regarding both the Yaqub Ali and my lord Suleiman Ali together, my lord.
Just a minute. Sit down. He is the owner of the Goshala.
Goshala, he is the custodian of 30 numbers of kettles, which those kettles were apprehended and seized by police in respect of a Jalukbari PS case number 91/26, which was registered under section so and so, read with section 13 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 21, my lord. And in that case, my lord, I will point out. My lord, regarding that case,
in connection with that case and kept in a Goshala.
yes, regarding that case, my lord, those kettles were, my lord, handed over to Yaqub Ali, that is, my lord, to my lord, to take custody of those, my lord, kettles during pendency of that case, my lord. And now, my lord, while after trial court passed an order, my lord, additional CJM Kamrup was pleased to pass an order directing the in charge of Jalukbari outpost to hand over the Jimma of the cattle to their owner, Hassan Ali. Then, my lord, entire fact came to light that when police visited that Goshala, out of 30, only, my lord, 11 numbers of cattle were found and 19 cattle were already, my lord, missing. And, my lord, later on during investigation, my lord, police came to know that the present petitioner, my lord, owner of the Goshala, Yaqub Ali, in, my lord, connivance with his co-associates, my lord, namely Suleiman Ali and one Zakir Ali, heads the conspiracy of illegally transporting the cows for the purpose of selling. So, my lord, the other purchasers not only, my lord, they are directly involved along with the, my lord, custodian, that is Yaqub Ali, for my lord, illegally transporting thereafter, my lord, in the name of, but they have in fact, my lord, saying that they purchased those kettles from the Yaqub Ali. Whether they have, they can produce any document that they purchase, how they purchase, my lord, while those he is the custodian of the Yaqub Ali, the custodian of the Goshala, my lord, and those cattle were in pursuance of the court order. He was directed to keep those Goshala in custody.
Person to court order in order dated.
Yes, your lordship.
Order dated like additional CJM. Additional CJM.
Your lordship, may kindly peruse. I have flag mark.
In Jalukbari case number.
Jalukbari PS case number 91/26, my lord.
91 of 2026.
Yes, ma'am.
And the missing cows have been recovered.
No, my lord.
My lord, records are saying that I have purchased from Yakub Ali. Yakub Ali sold those hotels to me, my lord.
No, there
So I am not disputing that.
documents.
My lord, I am not disputing. As because records are
No, because the
saying, my lord.
a person would not sell, there will be some.
Yes.
Or he must have purchased informally then.
My
Yes.
Illegal, whatever you call it.
They are all, my lord, in
But
they knows well that, my
but it will
lord,
create complications for this case. Because
Yes,
that
yes.
is the property of, actual owner is Hussain Ali.
one Hassan
Yes,
only.
my lord. The
Because
custodian of the
now
Goshala
it will
himself
create
told me.
complications for him.
Yes.
Because it is actually the property under the jurisdiction, under
Yes,
supervision of the court.
supervision of the court.
That will create complications.
My lord, I am neither the owner, neither the employee of the Goshala, my lord, Suleiman. The owner of the Goshala sold it, my lord. That should not be done, my lord.
The cows have also not been recovered. Yes. Bail objection is also.
My lord, at any condition.
They are
we
in
will
fact not bona fide,
cooperate
they are
with
in
the,
fact
my
close
lord,
associate of
investigation
the
agency at any condition
Hmm?
till complete the investigation.
purchasers are in fact, they are, my lord, only they are close associate of the main custodian of the Gosala, my lord, Yakub Ali, my lord. They knows well that those
My lord, till completion of the investigation, my lord, day to by day, appearance may be given, my lord. We will cooperate with the investigation agency.
Speak out. So it was given in Jimma to Hussain Ali and then the police went to give.
yes, yes, yes.
Then the complications started. There will be complications, no doubt. The court will also be in a fix now, actually. Anyway. A Pramani, we call it. Additional PP, important. 483 being application. The regular bill for the additional, so it's order. In connection with Jalukbari PS case number 94 of 2026. The case arose out of FIR dated FIR dated 19/3/2023 about missing of 19 cows. Now 19 out of 30 cows kept in the Northeast Frontier Gosala Samiti under the jurisdiction of Jalukbari PS. However, during investigation, it was found that the owner of the Gosala, Yakub Ali, in collision with Suleiman Ali and Zakir Ali, had legally sold those cows and stuff. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner Suleiman Ali had legitimately purchased the cows from Yakub Ali, was the custodian of the from Yakub Ali, full stop. Full stop. It is submitted that he shall cooperate with the investigation and abide by any conditions imposed. The case diary has been received. It is submitted by the learned additional people that the cows the cows which were purportedly owned by one Hussain Ali were seized in connection with Jalukbari PS case number 91 of 2026, and they were given in Jimma by the learned additional seizure Kamrup. And when the Jimma order was sought to be implemented, the investigating authority ran into the LS offenses of this case. It is stated by the prosecution that investigation has revealed that the custodian of the Gausala, namely Yaqub Ali, in collusion with the present petitioner and the other accused, had conspired to illegally sell the 19 cows, which were kept in the Gausala pursuant to order passed by the criminal court. The case diary has been placed before me. The IO has also submitted a bail objection, objecting to the grant of bail. Full stop. I peruse the contentions of the IO in the same bail objection. Full stop. The materials in the case diary lend support to the prosecution contention about incriminating materials against the petitioners. Incriminating materials against the petitioners. So it is also stated in the bail objection that one of the suspected person is still at large, and efforts are on to procure his attendance. Full stop. For the purpose of investigation. In the circumstances, the bail petition stands rejected at this stage. Return back the case diary.
Highly appreciated.
Later on, after something. 6 and 29. Disposed.
56.
Iman Mati.
56.
56 10 PCR received, my lord. Well, kindly taken after some time, learned WP Busso has gone through.
57.
Case diary has come.
Case they received.
Okay.
It's
Yeah, 90.
Oh, no, this one is- okay.
91st day, my lord.
Acha, that yesterday we had fixed. No?
As per my instruction, my lord, till date, search sheet not yet submitted. my lord.
Okay. If you want to heard, okay, Mahachi, then Mahachi. Additional PD, the petitioner who was arrested on 7/1/2020.
My lord, my
in
lord.
connection with Bokistop PS case number 537 of 2025 is seeking bail in connection with under section 483 BNS. 7/1, he was first remanded on the same day, perhaps?
Same day, man.
Same day. It is submitted that upon arrest, he was remanded on the same day. That is 7/1/2026, and as on today, he has completed 91 days. In custody. You've calculated
My lord.
91 days in under trial detention. Full stop.
Well, 91 days, including 7 months.
Including, sir.
Yes.
It was, he was remanded on the first day.
Same day.
Same day.
That has to be inclusive, my lord.
Yeah. I usually use a date calculator.
Same, yes, ma'am, online.
The learned additional PP clearly submits that as per his instruction, investigation is still going on. In the said situation, statutory period, applicable statutory period of 90 days being over, the petitioner is required to be granted bail. Accordingly, he is allowed to go on bail of rupees 50,000 with one severity of the like amount to the satisfaction of the concerned learned court, which is Borpeta, CJM.
Kamrup Metro, my lord.
Sorry, CJM Borpeta.
No, no.
CGM Kamrup Metro.
Oh, sir, he's non-perpetrator. PCM Kamrup. Sorry. Kamrup Metro, and subject to the conditions that he shall cooperate with remaining investigation. Shall available for trial if on commences. Shall not hamper or tamper.
Highly object.
Bail petition stands disposed.
Mild.
Mhm.
31, my lord. Can you cover this thing?
No, up to that place.
In this case, my lord, search sheet submitted.
But there is an IA also. What is it?
My lord, IA regarding my lord, small correction, my lord, in the order of this.
That's done, disposed.
No, my lord, it's still pending. Because my lord, it has been recorded that I am not the owner of the, my lord, JCB vehicle, my lord.
But you are.
Yes,
And
owner,
you're-
owner, but I am not the driver. I am
Not
the
the
owner.
driver.
Petitioner is in interim, my lord. In this case, search sheet submitted.
Search sheet submitted.
Search sheet submitted.
I am interim.
Long time back. Interim order. will just pass.
Interim order, my lord, 4/4. 4/4/25.
Say, It was granted interim bail on 4/4/2025. The case diary was called for. However, the learned additional PP submits the. In the meantime, investigation stands completed and has resulted in a charge sheet. You want to give the number of
CS number 22/26 dated 28/2/26.
sections?
Section not mentioned here.
Actually, those two things are most important. Charge sheet, more than the number, the date of the charge sheet, and most importantly, the penal provision.
Penal provision, yes.
Anyway, so in view of the completion of investigation, the interim bail not required to be cancelled. And therefore it is made absolute, subject to the condition that he shall be available for trial if one commences, shall not hamper or tamper with his, shall not intimidate or harass or harm the informant, right, in any manner. Violation. Bail petition stands disposed of. IA, what I have to write?
I can, my lord, in view of the order passed in, my lord, BA, my lord.
This IA has been filed for a correction. Correction of.
In order, my lord, page 8, my lord.
An order dated 4/4/2025, passed in AB 779/2025.
Last line, my lord, he is not the owner of the JCB, my lord. It has been.
It was stated in that order that the petitioner is not the owner of the concerned JCB. In this context, it is submitted that it is, we have to consider it a typographical error, then only we'll have to, otherwise
Yes.
cannot, but it's only final orders are, it is applicable to 63. However, it is submitted that the petitioner is the owner of the JCB and not the driver. And it is submitted that inadvertently it was wrongly typed as the petitioner not being the owner of the JCB. The same stands corrected. So I stands disposed.
Hello.
32, my lord, petitioner is in interim, my lord, CD not received.
After vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
Although it is their lordship, earlier work as a lordship CD has not come.
Anyway, okay, case diary is not received, issue reminding. Stop the interim bail by 13/2 stands extended to its date of listing. On
13th of May, my lord.
13th of May.
13th, on 6th of May, my lord.
6th of May.
Problem.
Diary.
33, my lord. Case diary not received, my lord.
Same. Diary is not received. Same. Interim order.
Interim is there, my lord.
By order dated 5/2/26 stands extended till the next date of listing. You can give a date.
On 8th of May, my lord. 8/5.
It does. Two beds. Ah. This was the. Nine. The BA also. No, this is disposed of. D. Which date did you get? It.
Article 34 my lord, charge sheet submitted in this case.
Nature of the office.
FIR is at page 10.
FIR is page 10, my lord. My lord, I was purchased a new truck, my lord, that was not registered. My lord, police signal, I was not, my lord, stopped. And thereafter, my lord, on running condition, I was, the truck was faced the accident. At that moment, my lord, there are 300-400 people gathered there, my lord. And that there is one Bolero car, Bolero vehicle was broken by the public. I was not there, my lord. I am absolutely innocent. But the allegation brought against the petitioner also, my lord. This is the fact, my lord. That is already succeeded, my lord. I am not interim, my lord. So
you're on interim.
No, my interim is not there.
Not
Let him appear before the trial court, AB. Man. What are you looking?
Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and the 482 bill application, Bilasi Para, case 369 of 20. Alleged in the FIR, lost by a police officer, constable.
my lord.
Yes.
FIR was
The
lost by the
allegation
police
that
They
they were doing duty at Bilasepara area where a tractor full of soil of river signaled to stop, but the driver tried to kill him by hitting, and they somehow saved their lives by jumping to the side. And it is alleged that the tractor did not have any. He did not have. Why didn't he stop? He was doing something illegal. That means.
yes, yes.
The
Yeah,
tractor did
thereafter,
not
while
have any
police
number.
and while my lord, thereafter police says and try to get the my lord registration
Later,
number, then
the tractor was apprehended, but the driver fled away.
My lord, that was not numbered. That is why, my lord, I was not.
Very bad conduct.
they in fact
It is submitted by the learned additional PP that in the meantime, the investigation is completed and resulted in a charge sheet. You want to give the number? CS number?
yes, well. CS number 25/26 dated 31/1/26.
In view of the completion of investigation, it is directed that in the event of the arrest in connection with this case, they may be, the petitioner may be allowed to go on bail of rupees 30,000 with one surety of the life and satisfaction of the visiting authority, and subject to the condition that it will be available for trial if one commences, they shall not hamper or tamper with evidence and shall not commit any illegal activities, violation. Petitioner may submit fresh bail bonds for the learned court below, whereupon necessary orders may be passed by the learned, by the said learned court. Bail petitions disposed of.
36.
We ask for the injury report.
Injury report received, man. No, man.
Legal report of the victim.
No, my lord, injury, yes. Address. Information report. Good job. No such specific injury, type of injury, nothing is there. What kind of injury? No injury.
And what is the materials in the case that
Material witnesses implicated that on that day, my lord, they in fact
obstructed?
Yes, obstructed.
Because Lordship, the police raided our house, Lordship, in search of another accused person. He is also our brother, Lordship. At night, at about 8:30
Begar, Lathi, Rod, and
the police raided our house. We extended full cooperation because he is alleged under NDPS Act, Lordship. That person in Bazarisara police station, Lordship. Therefore, the whole family extended full cooperation. But when the accused are not found in the house, the police tried to arrest all the male members, the petitioners, including their father, Lordship.
Yeah, both sides actually these things have to be.
So Lordship may kindly period one of the statement of
Because if all law enforcing authorities are registered by public are much more in number, then there will be anarchy. At the same time, while police carries out duties, they should not inflict unnecessary harassment, humiliation, or torture upon the the people, isn't it?
Yes.
You have to,
Otherwise, my lord, recently similar.
you have to
this
carry
type
out
of
operations
incident-
with dignity and respect.
Yes.
Otherwise, we are not civilized.
Yes.
Anyway, yeah. What?
Otherwise, this is not only one single incident. Recently, in many
Many
cases,
incidents.
whenever police went
Many
there to
incidents.
charge of an accused.
On both sides.
Yes, my lord.
But there is no allegation against this
They have
petitioner
created a
earlier,
group
Lordship.
and thereafter, my lord, that group, my lord, trying to attack by using various weapons, my lord, sharp weapons.
Then definitely there will be anarchy. And but I'm repeating the responsibility on
Yes.
the side also.
And
They have to carry out operations as per law.
yes,
I know. Like in many countries more advanced than us.
yes.
Respect the person.
Yes.
Don't harass family members. These kind of things. So sometimes this provocation. But this is very bad mechanism. Because as I said, this is if it is not controlled, there will be anarchy.
No.
We'll have to adopt a strict approach, otherwise. But this does not have any injury, nothing.
No such.
No, one report says no injuries. One is blank. Am I Hussain, Learned Counsel and additional PPP bottom. Learned three petitions seeking anticipatory bail. Bongaigaon PS 10/20. The allegation in the affair is that a police party had gone to arrest an accused Mohidul Ali in connection with another case under the NDPS Act. And while doing so, they were attacked by the FIR named persons and assaulted and assaulted, leading to injuries. Full stop. 5 persons are named in the FIR. It is submitted by the Learned Counsel that the petitioner, the said accused of the NDPS case is the brother of the petitioners, brother of the petitioners. And the police, while trying, the police, when not finding him in the house, tried to arrest all the male members of the house. As a result of which there was some altercation. But the allegations are exaggerated. The case diary has been received. Learned APP submits that witnesses have implicated. However, the medical report was called for. And one of the medical report indicates no injuries and another medical report does not mention anything about which aspect of injuries.
52 to
While the alleged conduct of the petitioner has to be deprecated, but nevertheless, considering the nature of the injury report and also progress of investigation and the projected circumstances in which the incident is alleged to have taken place, it is directed that 30,000 runs subject to the condition that they shall cooperate investigation. Their statement is needed. Their statement is needed.
Yes.
They may appear for examination, not hamper and tempt. Shall not commit any illegal activities or offences.
Yes. Deeply obliged.
My lord, in item 16, my lord, is for admission. I was there since morning, my lord. In second half, I have some personal problem, my lord.
Okay.
Maybe taken on the other day, my lord. Item 16, 1/6.
Yes. Sometimes can't make out how much, usually the bails take the first half.
As well as, my lord, in item 16, my
Item
senior,
16 of,
my senior is not there, my lord.
oh, council, adjournment. Some difficulties in the second half. Land council for the respondent also sits in adjournment. Is the member
Some interim order was there, my lord.
interim order stands extended till the next date of listing. Suggested date in May, first week of May, second week of May.
Yes, my lord, first week.
First week of May. Let's take it on 11th, I think, 11th, 11/5.
Yeah.
11.
Bless.
And what else?
My lord, similar prayer, item number 19. Engage counsel is out of station with the consent from the other side.
I'm for the responding.
Petitioner, it's an adjournment with consent of the other side. Interim order
Yes, there is.
extended till next date of listing. Date
First week of May.
First week of May,
11th May
11.
or 13th May. 13th May. 11 May.
Obliged.
Article 39, CD is not present. And interim is not also just. May just with a shorter date, my lord. 39, CD is not present. 39, my lord.
CD is come.
CD not received.
39 CD not received.
Can it become 21, my lord, after the vacation?
Just now. Issue reminder.
Interim is
For the
not present.
interim stands extended till next date of listing. You have interim, so it doesn't matter.
No, interim is not there.
There's no interim.
No,
There
interim.
is no interim.
Sorry, interim. I have 20.
Deeply obliged. My lord.
Diary is received.
Yes, they received, but my lord, PM report is also received, but PM report is not conclusive, my lord, regarding cause of death.
Okay.
My lord,
What
final PM
FIR
report,
is at 11,
yes.
page 11.
Page 11, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, the allegation is that the victim who committed suicide, my lord, is the husband of petitioner number 1 before your lordship. My lord, the allegation is that on 25/1/2026, there was a quarrel between husband and wife, my lord. And on the very same day, the wife, the petitioner number 1, went to her mother's home along with the child and take shelter in her parents' home. And on 6/2/2026, my lord, the alleged victim committed suicide. The allegation is that due to mental torture, he committed suicide. My lord, case has
And
been registered.
the other three petitioners are brother,
Are the
brother and sister,
my lord,
Mother-in-law,
mother-in-law and two brothers.
yes,
my lord.
It's the
Mother-in-law,
husband who
father-in-law,
committed-
mother-in-law, father-in-law, and one
It's a husband who committed suicide.
My
Yes.
husband committed suicide.
That is the allegation.
husband committed suicide. Petitioner number 1 is the wife.
Why?
Petition number 2 is the father-in-law, and petition number 3 is the mother-in-law, my lord.
Mother-in-law,
And-
father-in-law and
And
brother,
the
and brother.
and petition number 4 is the brother-in-law. There are 4 petitioners, my lord.
Okay.
The section 351 is bailable, my lord, and section 117 subclause 2 is also bailable.
Have they given abatement of suicide?
Abatement of suicide.
108 nowadays.
My lord, 108.
Other sections also there, my lord, 109.
Anyway,
109 sub clause 1 attempt to murder, my lord, Marpit was not there, my lord.
anyway, so what is the allegations? What are the materials?
Materials, my lord, only here PM report received. PM report is not conclusive regarding cause of death. My lord, opinion regarding cause of death is kept pending till the receipt of the report from BFS Kahilipara. And one FSL report regarding, my lord, whether he consumed poison or not, my lord, regarding that, no poison, including ethyl alcohol or its metabolites, were detected in exhibit so and so. So he has not consumed, my lord.
Ligature mark on the,
Yes,
on the neck.
ligature mark, my lord.
And other materials, other witnesses statement.
Witnesses stated that, my lord, these accused persons mentally tortured continuously, my lord. Initially, one incident occurred that was compromised. Thereafter, again on that particular day,
Why
that is,
mentally tortured him, the husband?
wife and, my lord, other accused persons.
Any specific reason?
For reason, my lord, for what reason they mentally, regarding that aspect, I do not find anything in the CD, my lord.
He committed
And, my lord,
suicide.
oblique non-continuous ligature mark of size so and so is present high up in the neck about the receiver.
He committed suicide at his own home, my lord. And before 13 days, the petitioners left his house, my lord, and take shelter in her parents' home. After 13 days, he committed suicide.
Elements of abatement.
Abatement only the statement of the one or two witnesses, my lord,
That they harassed him.
mentally.
No poison.
No poison.
No poison was found.
But for what purpose, for why he was tortured, those things not there.
There was a lot of dispute, quarrel between them.
Yes.
Whether it was abatement, I cannot say. Anyway, heard, invoking 483, 482 BNSS, the petitioners, the four petitioners herein, who are stated to be the wife of my father-in-law, or my mother-in-law and brother-in-law of the deceased, are seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Rohingya PS case number 31 of 2026 under section 5. Full stop. The case arose out of an FIR dated 6/2/26 lodged by Abdul Rashid, the brother of the deceased, naming all the four petitioners in the FIR. And it is alleged that on 25/1/26, they came to their home with dao, lathi, etc. to kill his brother. And A2 Bahar Ali attacked his brother with stone and injured him. Full stop. That comma, though an FIR was lost, but the matter was compromised. On the next day, the wife of the deceased, A1, comma, the wife of the deceased left her matrimonial home with her minor son and went to her parents' home. It is alleged that since then, the accused persons have threatened his brother, and ultimately he committed suicide in his own residence. The learned additional people has received the case diary, which is accompanied by a bail objection in which the IO has objected to the grant of bail. It is submitted by the learned APP that PM report indicates non-continuous ligature mark on the neck of the deceased. And the FSL report indicates, has given negative test for poison. But however, the final opinion regarding death is still pending. It is submitted by learned APP that some of the witnesses have stated about the deceased facing harassment from the accused persons. Full stop. I have perused some of these witness statements of some of these witnesses. It is revealed from the statements of witnesses about the victim suffering harassment and assault, and that one of the witnesses stated about noticing injuries on his body, and the person being physically and mentally broken. Also, I think what we can do is this mother-in-law we can give.
Yes, yes.
Mother-in-law and
father-in-law.
Father-in-law, this is direct allegation.
Yes, that is the main.
But the wife is also, what will be the use otherwise?
Yes.
Brother,
Yes.
wife and brother, mother-in-law and brother-in-law.
Mother-in-law, yes.
Actually, he said all accused persons.
Yes.
Still, accused persons.
Accused person. And on that day, in fact,
Investigation is,
on that day, in fact, they all came together.
the investigation is still in progress. However, at this stage, I'm inclined to dispose of the bail petition by granting pre-arrest bail only to A3 Manju Begum without bail. Petitioner number 3, Manju Begum, within bracket mother-in-law, and petitioner number 4, Farooq Ali, brother-in-law. He may have been involved, brother-in-law.
Yes.
In assault.
Yes.
My lord, assault part will not come. My lord, abatement is there, my lord.
Abatement.
Assault part so far, my lord, section 112,
Ultimately,
117.
that assault ultimately linked with the my lord
No,
abatement.
that's not, no, that is.
Whether there is any
It is linked.
call record or not, my
It
lord.
is, that actually investigation is not complete at this stage.
Yes.
Okay, let it be. Manju Begum and Farooq Ali. And accordingly, it is directed that in the event of their arrest, 30,000 with one CVT. subject to the condition that arresting authority, they will appear, they will cooperate, appear, and shall not intimidate or harass or harm the family of the victim in any manner. So with regard to the petition, the other two petitioners, Helena Begum and Wahar Ali, their bail petition stands rejected at this stage. Return the case there. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? The create bail application, Lordship. Earlier occasion, the case diary along with the medical report was called for, Lordship.
Receipt, my lord.
Allegations. There was SR under section 118, 126 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 351, 352 BNS, Lordship. And non-bailable section is, Lordship, only 118 of the BNS, Lordship.
Previous or
Grievous,
Right.
Lordship.
An injury report also reflects that, my lord, injury is grievous and fresh in nature, my lord, caused by blunt.
None of that. Both lots of the accused and lots of the victim are trained lordships, and they belong from the same place as the Dhemaji lordships and last holy lordships. They have
some bail has been disposed of, no, with regard to this matter.
Regarding,
I remember this Azhar, I remember.
lordship.
Any co-accused granted bail?
No, no, sir, only one person.
only one person.
Present petition only, lordship.
Not this case, my lord. Probably this is similar nature case.
No,
I read the FIR earlier, lordships. Yes, may I read the FIR, lordship?
okay.
Mm.
No,
Lordship.
leave it over.
I,
No
May-
problem. I've read it.
lordship.
Serious injuries.
Yes, grievous injury, my lord.
Grant of that,
And
lordship.
also some of
But he
the
also,
witnesses also supported the case of the
T.
person.
Sutia Learned Council and 488. Jalukbari PS 88 of 2026. The allegations in the FIR dated 13/3/26 is that on the night of 4th March 26, the informant was returning from Greenwood Resort and near Boragaon. And on the way, the Deep Gogoi, the present petitioner, started abusing him, abusing his wife. Subsequently, when he stopped his vehicle on the roadside to answer nature's call, the said person who was following him, arrived and and he was heavily intoxicated, and then he suddenly took out an iron rod and attacked him brutally. It is alleged that he struck him repeatedly, leading to fracture. Full stop. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
The case diary has been received.
Yes, they received from the injury report. Injury is grievous, my lord, and caused by blunt weapon.
On
And-
which part of the body? Fracture is indicated.
Yes, yes.
on the hand, lordship. So
So
further
alleged about fracture. Why this kind of conduct?
Yes, a contusion mark over left hand, measuring, my lord, 3 cm into 1.
No
Mhm.
fracture.
Mm,
They are known to each other, I think.
No fracture, lordship. It is exact of
No,
that.
they are known to each other.
No, yeah, no, same place.
No,
upon the opposite lordship.
X-ray report submitted
fair,
and
lordship.
police suggestive of fracture of left hand, my lord.
They're from the Dhemaji lordship. The
Injury
offense took
of
place in the Jalukbari lordship. Both are from the Dhemaji
He was
lordship.
totally drunk, according to him. That is why it took place. Let me see.
Two independent witnesses also do.
May not be justified to grant interim.
Yes.
The anti-therapy. This kind of conduct should be discouraged. I'm afraid. Fracture is.
Yes.
The case diary is received. The learned APP submits that the medical report indicates the grievous injury suggestive of fracture, thereby lending support to the allegation made in the FIR. The IO has also submitted a bail objection. It is submitted by the learned APP that the witnesses, any eyewitnesses? No.
Yes, well, there, I witnessed them. I will point out my last 3. Thereafter, he is the victim. There. They only seen that the accused person chased the victim.
In her statement, one Palika Saikya stated that she saw the petitioner, the accused, chasing the victim with a lathi in his hand. Don't find any reason actually to give. Anyway, in the circumstances, I do not find sufficient justification to grant the privilege of anticipatory bail, especially as investigation is still in progress. Therefore, at this stage, the bail petition stands rejected.
Name of the witness may not be mentioned, otherwise it may.
Yes.
Yes.
Witness or non, one of the witness. In her in the statement of one witness, it is stated that you write. In the statement of one witness, it is stated that.
Okay, here is been a blunt object. Perhaps my limited knowledge was section 117 clause 2 may come, Lordship.
Dangerous weapon. Well, no, lathi can also be a dangerous weapon.
Yes.
Lordship,
There are cases.
I think the fact that Lordship, they have trained Lordship, known each other Lordship from Dhemaji Lordship.
Anyway, later on.
41.
No, Lordship.
The last occasion CD was confirmed.
My lord, the IO has prayed for some time. He is in due to election duty.
Lordship, kindly see the FIR, Lordship. This, I'm just praying for some interim protection, Lordship. The election is also there, Lordship. They are intending to.
I think the very serious injuries on the.
Lordship, the serious injury, there is no specific allegation against the petitioner, Lordship. This, the name of the accused are there in paragraph page number 12. There's a accused number 2 and the accused number 4. There is no serious allegation in the open market. The incident had happened and nobody was captured at that point of time. Subsequently, these names were put, Lordship. There is no allegation why this altercation took place, what sort of issues were there between the victim and the accused persons. Nothing, no explanation as such, Lordship. Suddenly, at night, these persons came to the place and according
Might
to
be
this,
some background.
Initially, my lord,
some interim protection may
Kaliganj
be given,
Hospital,
Lordship. This,
thereafter shifted to Karimganj Civil Hospital, and now my lord undergoing treatment in Silchar Medical College and Hospital.
SMC.
Critical condition.
also, I have the information that this victim's condition is stable and he is now this shop is now in the shop and he is running the shop
Critical
in a healthy
condition.
condition.
There are no grounds actually for granting interim.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't
Some
find any.
protection till the
But,
next
so
day.
there has to be a reason for every order, right? So you would appreciate that. Otherwise, I understand there are some holidays.
Your lord,
Is there
basically, on the day of the immediately
Yes,
after on 21/4,
20th?
yes, 24.
Lordship, some observation may be there, Lordship. If the CD is not there, then
Yes, there is not received, full stop. This is the first day actually.
Yes, first day.
Anyway, but the case diary shall be positively sent on for the next date, full stop, along with medical report, necessary medical reports, list on 20th?
21/4.
21 or 20th?
20.
21.
Lordship, some observation may be there, Lordship. If the CD is not there, the interim period may be
No,
considered.
that's fine.
May I please, Your Lordship? Can it be after some time, my lord? Deep, Your Lordship.
After some time. Therefore, can you do it? Bail in his full.
Production item 1.
It has a fraction.
May I please the Lordship, for which application, petitioner, he is an advocate, Lordship. The unfortunate incident, also kindly see the FIR.
Number.
Page 13, you also will find.
Yes, but.
Page 13, 1-3. It's from Dispur, Lordship. Actually, the allegation is that they have hit the victim with the beer bottle. Actually, what happened, Lordship, his friend, one of his friends, Sukumar Sharma, he has assaulted. He was standing with him. He was there along with him. They were having drinks and there are some altercation between the victim and these two persons. So one of his friend, that is Sukumar Sharma, he assaulted with the beer bottle on the head of the victim. And thereafter he got injured. As because he was with him, he was also arrested, Lordship. He is a practicing advocate of this court, Lordship.
At this stage, we cannot.
Lordship will kindly fix, because it's from Dispur. Tomorrow you also kindly fix for diary.
That I can fix.
That can be
done.
done,
That I can do. Otherwise.
I understand.
Vacation also.
I understand, that's why. Tomorrow you also will kindly.
We can try.
Anyone?
Second half?
Tomorrow, second half, we'll also will try.
I'm here tomorrow.
Lots.
No problem. Anytime of the day.
Our instruction is that the Sukumar Sharma, he is the main person who assaulted. He was there alone.
No, wrong place at the wrong time.
Lots.
It can happen sometimes.
Exactly.
Bad luck.
Bad luck.
Yeah, sometimes.
That's why it's unfortunate incident.
4833, you Taluk learned class. And additional petitioner invoking 483, seeking bail in regular bail in connection with Dispur PS 192 of 2026. He was arrested on 4/4/2026. The case arose out of an FIR dated 4/4/26, lodged by Harinarayan Das, with the allegation that on that day at night, the petitioner and another Sukumar Sharma were consuming alcohol at the stated place, and thereafter they assaulted one Lohit Medi and Hridoy Das with alcohol bottles. As a result of which they were injured and admitted in hospital with critical condition.
One of them is admitted. One of them is admitted, not both the persons.
According to the FIR both.
According to the FIR.
Mr. Taluta, learned counsel submits that the petitioner is not at all involved in any incident of assault on that day. And it is also submitted that he's not involved in the alleged assault upon the victims. Call for the case diary fixed tomorrow.
Much.
Botago?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing again 52.
52 tomorrow. 52, yes, well, I have received the report, madam. No case pending against.
What was the this thing? It was. Okay.
Okay, spending done.
No case is registered. So for the moment, if it's registered in the future, you can come.
My lord. Otherwise, police has given my lord harassment that there is a case of allegation of receiving stolen ornaments.
Stolen ornaments. No case registered actually, maybe. They have to give you a notice, otherwise. The pre-petitioners here invoking 482 BNSS are seeking anticipatory bail with regard to possible complaint in Panbazar PS. However, they do not have the details. Accordingly, a report was called for and report dated 7/4/2026 is received and placed before the court, which mentions that upon verification, it was found that no FIR or case, etc., has been found against the three petitioners herein. In view of the same, the present the petition for anticipatory bail, application for anticipatory bail would not be maintainable at this stage. However, if in the future there are any circumstances giving right to bona fide apprehension, the petitioners would always be at liberty to invoke the remedies provided by law. The petitioners shall not be subjected to any unnecessary or undue harassment in any manner. The petition stands disposed. This will do. How many passes? 20, 21, 22.
There are two cases, one is AB, another is BA. This
One is
was to
BA,
be-
one is AB.
Yes, this was to be argued by senior counsel, Mr. Aishat Chaudhary. He is not here today, so matter may be fixed for tomorrow, as is requested, today is 63 days in custody,
The diary has come.
CD received, ma'am. Petitioner here, item number 21, they are the son of the deceased, ma'am. Thankfully, and
daughter-in-law.
Son of
this is the petitioner's own mother, madam, in item number 20, 21, 20. And they are the daughter-in-law in item number 21.
21 also.
Connected matter.
Connected.
You are there?
Two is one AB, one is BA,
Council seeks an adjournment in the matter. As leading senior counsel who not appear, has some difficulty today. Listed tomorrow, 8/4.
Obligement.
Case diary received shall be retained.
Yes.
22.
Suppose that you mind.
22,
Yes.
my lord.
57.
Yes.
Your lordship, yes, till now, police, as per my verbal instruction, my lord, telephonic, search sheet not yet submitted. Although, my lord, search sheet not yet submitted, otherwise, your offense is very serious, my lord.
It's not serious, lordship. In the FIR, it was not stated that the petitioner has taken money or snatched money from the
He's not named.
informant.
He's not named.
And he has not taken any money from the informant, and nothing was recovered
Question is
from
not
the
of-
position of the petitioner, lordship. FIR is false, lordship. And 57 days behind the bar, lordship, 3 days only to complete statutory period, lordship. Kindly consider, lordship.
Unknown persons.
Yes, unknown.
Unknown
The present
persons.
petitioner is from Bihar, my lord.
He's from Bihar.
Bihar.
Strange things are happening now.
Actually,
But
my lord,
lordship, no money was recovered from the position of the petitioner, lordship. And in the FIR also, it was not mentioned that petitioner has snatched or taken the money from the informant, lordship. Nothing was mentioned in the FIR, lordship. It's false. Allegation is false, lordship.
And he's not from Assam.
not from Assam.
What to do?
Kindly lordship, kindly consider, because statutory period is going to be over, lordship,
They can
57 days
obtain,
inside
they can
the jail.
obtain bail, my lord, from the trial
Yes,
court if
lordship.
statutory period is within that statutory period, charge sheet not filed, my lord. Otherwise,
So without case diary, it's very difficult to grant bail in such cases. Because today's statutory period is not over as on today, no? It was 4 days away. It is 4 days away, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Kindly lordship,
it may
consider.
be filed also on
Yes.
Friday, district court is open.
Yes, ma'am.
On Friday.
There is
district court
possibility of filing this.
Kindly consider here, lordship, kindly consider my prayer, lordship, for granting bail, lordship.
Third, Learned Counsel. Invoking 483 BNS. The petitioner taking regular bail in connection with Krishna PS case number 17 of 26. He was arrested on 10/2/2026. In this case, which arose out of an FIR dated 9/2/2026, lodged by one Bidut Rabha, with the allegations that when he withdrew money at SBI Krishna branch, 3 unidentified persons approached him to deposit 1.5 lakhs that they supposedly supposedly stolen from Dimapur, and wanted to deposit the money, and offered him 25% if he helped them in depositing the same. Full stop. Later, after he withdrew rupees 40,000, the said persons also troubled him. Troubled him by giving him rupees 500 along with some pieces of white paper. Full stop. That when he tried to make video of the incident, they ran away. Full stop. The Learned Counsel submits that the petitioner has completed 57 days in custody, and the statutory period is also going to be over in the next 3-4 days. Stop. Suppose it is filed tomorrow.
Yes.
Then, because these are very serious matters, he will just disappear into Bihar.
Yes,
Maybe.
ma'am. Yes, that is the difficult.
And again, they have to issue warrant. Then the learned additional PP, after taking instructions from the IO, submits that investigation is not yet complete. Full stop. It is not disputed that the applicable statutory period is 60 days. And there are several court holidays starting from day after tomorrow. The given facts and circumstances. The accused is allowed to go on bail of rupees 50,000 with 2 sureties of the like amount, one of whom should be from the state of Assam. 50,000 each, and subject to the following conditions. Number 1, he shall not abscond. He shall cooperate with remaining investigation. He shall not hamper or tamper with evidence. He shall be available for trial if one commences. In case of violation of the bail condition, the bail would be cancelled. Bail petition stands allowed and disposed of.
56.
In this matter, my lord,
This is
the POCSO and my lord immoral traffic act, my lord, both are there, my lord. So, my lord, huh? Okay.
57 is same.
No, my lord.
No, my lord, it's 56, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah, my lord, as per my lord office note, what, my lord, that is my lord, steps not taken.
Steps of notice.
Yes, my lord. I didn't get in the, my lord, office note, my lord.
Which steps?
Notice?
No, informant. Well, steps has already been taken, my lord. Already been taken, and yesterday also, my lord, for this reason, my learned friend took time, my lord.
states, but it's not reflected in the office.
Yes, my lord. I didn't notice, my lord.
There's some miscommunication.
Already taken, my lord.
Scan
And
copy.
informant is, my lord, police officer, my lord.
Also,
IO, my lord.
I see. So will it be necessary or you can
My
reverse
lord,
it?
only because, my lord, POCSO and my lord, immoral trafficking,
that's
then my
true.
lord, amicus may be appointed, my lord. Any amicus may be appointed.
Amicus.
Amicus. Because of POCSO and my lord, immoral trafficker, allegations are very serious, my lord.
Hmm.
Both things are there, not only POCSO, my lord, immoral traffic
Yeah,
act is
that's
also
true,
there, my lord.
Kindly see, my
So, my
lord.
lord, then amicus may be
It is,
appointed, my
my lord,
lord, because
offenses
as
are
per,
serious, my lord. But
as
my
per
lord,
the,
the
my- there is
allegation,
notifications, my lord.
but the story, my lord, is not at all serious. Kindly peruse, my lord. Kindly peruse the FIR and their statement, my lord.
Statements I've seen 164.
Yes, my lord.
They are
And-
they have indicated their age is as minors.
And my lord, if honorable could kindly see.
This person is the so-called Rani.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, in their deposition before the honorable court, they failed to identify them. Once they said that Rani is a young girl, another again said, my lord, Rani is a older one.
Trial is started.
Already, my lord, 4 numbers of witnesses are examined, including informant and 2 victims, my lord. And my lord, their date of birth also is very much doubtful, my lord. Kindly, if honorable could please to see
Then I
page
have to
number.
go. Let's appoint an amicus.
Yes, my lord, because my lord may kindly peruse the order
We'll have to
27/3/2026, my lord. In that order, my lord was pleased to, my lord, direct that, my lord, that is, my lord, notice may be issued. And in the, my lord, available, my lord, office note, I didn't any, my lord, that is, my lord, note regarding, my lord, the issuance of the notice, my lord. Obviously, my lord, that is the informant is a policeman, my lord. In that connections, my lord, but my lord, to, my lord, amicus may be appointed, my lord. And the reason behind is not only, my lord, that is a, my lord, the personal crime, my lord. It amounts to
Yeah,
that, my lord, this immoral traffic parts is also there. And
So-
trial is going on.
This is, it is. It's the. So the scan record is available, but service of respond number 2 informant
Notice of no.
pending. Stop.
Notice है
The respond number 2 is a police official who had lost the fire. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has taken steps of notice upon the about the said respondent. However, upon perusing the case record, the same is not reflected in the office now. In this context, the learned APP submits that perhaps an amicus can be appointed. We'll fix it tomorrow.
My lord, if possible, my lord, kindly it may be reflected, my lord. Tomorrow, the prosecution has to conduct the hearing without fail. From yesterday, my lord, they are taking time, my lord. Yesterday,
it is the, my lord, record, my lord. My humble, my lord,
Before
submission
lunch-
before your
today,
lordship
before
is
lunch
that,
break,
my
my
lord.
lord, took
We
like-
cannot go beyond the record, my lord. It is the, my lord, the honorable court's record. After going through that only, we can make a submission, my lord.
Today, before lunch break, my lord, they took time. Again, my lord. And
Because, my lord,
tomorrow,
we are
NBSP
bound by
will-
the, my lord, the laws of this land, my lord. And my lord, honorable, my lord, high court's, my lord, direction is there, my lord. In those cases, my lord, there is a one notifications, my lord.
Yes.
And we must, my lord, go by
If,
that, my lord.
The informant is a private person, then that is different thing. He is a, my lord, police officer.
Allegation is very
This to
serious,
object,
my lord.
You're
Allegation is very
imitating my
serious,
name,
my lord.
actually. That's why. Anyway, I find force in the summation of the learned additional people. M.R. Brown, learned counsel, is appointed as amicus. M.K. Brown to represent the informant. Respond number 2. She shall be furnished copy of the petition. So we'll quickly notice her, and then tomorrow her name may be shown in the cause list. We'll take it up. Don't worry. We'll just finish it tomorrow. What result we
Obliged,
get, that nobody can say.
Yes,
but
my lord.
We'll finish it.
That is
Don't
true.
worry.
Obliged, my lord.
Bail tomorrow, priority is bail only. Other things are.
Obliged, my lord.
57.
After which.
Is your lordship. Lordship, it's in bail application filed under 483 BNSS. Lordship, the accused was arrested on 8/3/2026, that is 30 days till date. The allegation is attempt to murder, your lordship. The actual fact, the story is that both the person, the informant and the accused entered into a tussle.
And in that situation, after everything was sorted out, the informant went to the PS along with his wife and lodged the present first information report. That is on 21 to 2026. An incident was of 20 to 2026. FIR is in page
When was he arrested?
17. He was arrested on 8/3/2026. Today is 30 days here.
CD not received, my lord, in this matter.
Which Thana?
Paltan Bazaar Police Station.
I mean, you can take a chance tomorrow.
My
otherwise
lord,
it'll
my
have to
lord,
go
we will take a sunset.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow, Your Lordship.
try to get it.
Yes, my lord.
Whatever it should be decided, because there are holidays. The case diary is not received today. Issue reminder to send the case diary to the next date. Fulton Bazaar PS case number 63 of 26. List tomorrow.
My lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
42 timing.
42 or something.
Meet user loss.
What we have finished. Okay.
Well, there's been engaged in this matter, madam. So my name probably is not in the cause list. So
42.
42.
This one is 42. Oh. What we have finished.
It's a matter regarding my lord. Some LS siphoning, my lord. FIR is at page number 17.
Yes, you are for the informant. You discuss.
My lord, CD received, my lord.
57 actually CD is available. Madam. 57. I can do it after.
That's quite big, it seems.
Yes.
Voluminous must be documents.
Yes, my lord,
Never-
I have already gone through
Never
them, my
get
lord.
intimidated by
57,
file experience.
57.
Sometimes big
My
files
lord will
can
take
be
up
simpler.
57
Small files can be complex.
My lord will take up 57 first.
There are two matters.
No, their matter, my lord, CD is there. That's what he was submitting, my lord. In the earlier matter.
The earlier matter, Fulton Bazaar, my lord, he has submitted that Your Lordship was pleased to fix the matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow is.
But CD is available. My lord,
Oh,
today.
CD has come. Then we can just.
CD is not. Good question.
Okay. I did not understand. We have to modify that order. He suddenly came and tried to attack him.
Yes.
It seems they are known to each other because he telephoned his sister when he threatened him. What is the nature of injury?
Injury, my lord, head injury, my lord, as per final report to be taken by neurosurgery department, GMCS. That report not yet, otherwise GMCS one report is available, my lord. That is, but final report from neurosurgery department, that is not yet received.
Surgery means
And regarding other eyewitnesses also, they are supporting the.
internal bleeding.
It will be.
What is the story behind it as per your instruction?
The thing is that from GMC ward, when he was admitted, the doctor advised him to review after 1 month, Your Lordship. If the injury would have been such serious nature, he would have been advised to go after 1 week and not 1 month. Actually, tussle happened between both the parties, Your Lordship. That is what. And when each of the party pushed each other, probably the other party fell down. That is the possibility and nothing as such.
It is related to something which you have stated in para 6, the social media,
Social media, we tried to,
photograph of,
we
of
tried to trace the social media
person
video.
and his sister. So there must be something behind, of course, isn't it?
Uh,
Only unless the person is mad.
Actually, what happened when the accused person when usually goes to that particular shop for having buying groceries and stuffs, but when on that particular day, he noticed that CCTV camera was installed, and when he asked the informant that oh, you have installed CCTV camera, then to that reply, the informant rudely stated that you are a thief, and to prevent from thieves like you, I just for safety purpose I installed the CCTV. And that is when it hit the accused. And also the accused is a psychiatric patient. He has been continuously under treatment since 2022.
Annexure 4, page 27, Lordship. 27 and 28.
From his photograph, he looks little, I mean, I'm a layman, but still, we are all, in a way, we are also all psychologists, but he looks a little disturbed from his photograph.
Yes.
This is his treatment, prescription.
Prescription, Your Lordship. He has been under treatment since 2022.
I don't know this, what is it, medicines, maybe some order. But he has suffered some injury, no doubt. He suffered. Loss of consciousness, vomiting from head injury.
The informant from the next day, immediately after next day, he has been going to the shop, Your Lordship. The sister of the accused provided a video footage of the same.
Have you I'm just asking, have you stated that part that he provoked him by calling him thief?
Yes, I have stated, Lordship.
Yeah, because these things, all important things must be stated in the petition because it is after all supported by an affidavit.
7, Your Lordship. Para 7.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Page 6, Your Lordship.
Understand. J. Das Learned Counsel and additional people he brought up. The petitioner is seeking regular bail in connection with Bolton Bazaar PS 63 of 26. He was arrested on
8/3/2026.
8/3/2026. In the FIR lodged by the informant, he alleged that when he went to open his shop on that day in the morning, the petitioner assaulted him with a rod on his head. For which he sustained injuries. Where did I read this? That he tried to inform his sister? I read somewhere. Not from your petition. I read somewhere.
Point 2.
Oh, yes. In the
Point
FIR,
2
it
of
is
the
also
FIR.
stated by the informant that when the petitioner started threatening him, he telephoned his sister and his mother and his sister, who, along with her mother, came to the place of occurrence. The case diary has been received. The medical report is available and indicates head injury. And patient has been referred for neurosurgery opinion. Thus, medical report lends support to the allegation about assault. Drawing attention to para 6 of the bail petition, the learned counsel submits that para 7 submits that at the time of the incident, with regard to installation of CCTV, the informant provoked the petitioner by calling him a thief. This also submitted that he is undergoing treatment under doctor for mental health issues, and relevant prescription has been annexed herewith. Though the materials including medical report lend support to the allegation. However, considering the length of detention and the medical aspect of the accused, I'm of the considered view that he can be granted bail this day subject to suitable conditions. So and so 25,000 with one security subject to the condition that to the satisfaction of CJM, Kamrup M, and subject to the condition that he shall cooperate with investigation, shall not hamper or tamper with evidence. Return case that is possible.
Deeply obliged.
This we have already written down. It's already discussion.
But FIR is at page number 17, madam.
I remember it, I have narrated.
Yes,
In my order I have
yes,
narrated.
the allegation against him is of siphoning
Siphoning.
of around 86 lakhs.
He returned some money.
Yes, and thing is that, my lord, the petitioner is a deputy manager of the State Bank of
And
India.
secretary.
So, my lord, CD may have something, my lord, but my humble submission is that, my lord, that since, my lord, he is also a responsible officer of the bank, and, my lord, he happens to
His conduct has not been
dealing with the case, my lord. So, my lord,
prima facie.
yes, he may also have some explanation, my lord, to do.
Yes.
But
My
the
lord.
thing is that, my lord, so
Certainly.
my lord, all these will carry, my lord, money trail, my lord. So, my lord, each and every transaction is explainable, my lord, and he should be able to explain the transactions, my lord, being a responsible person, my lord. But the only issue is that, my lord, till date, my lord, he has not received any notice from the IO. Since, my lord, all these offences carry punishment below 7 years, my lord, at least his explanation should also come on record, my lord. Neither, my lord, he has been made to participate in the internal inquiry, my lord, nor, my lord, he has been allowed to participate in the investigation, my lord. So, my lord, my submission is that let him appear, my lord, and give his submission, my lord, because he also has returned some amount, my lord. 17 lakhs he has returned.
It won't be able to, it won't be possible
My lord,
for
the
me
only
to go through
relevant
now.
part, my lord, I have
But you
marked, my
just
lord.
submit.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will point out and then I can,
Yes,
if necessary, I will go through because it's
Yes,
already written.
my lord.
You know, actually, as you know, so that we are very well aware, then because by bank officials, you know, it's money custodian of the deposit.
Yes.
And in the service matters also,
Yes.
you know, in disciplinary matters, service matter law, the standard law laid down by Supreme Court also, it has imposed a heavy, you know, responsibility.
My lord.
On the,
My lord.
and the test is quite stringent.
Yes, my lord.
Because obviously, because otherwise
And
the
my-
bank system will have.
They are, my lord, also personally
Suffer
liable
from
also, my lord.
loss
If
of
there is any
credibility.
difference, my lord, that will be recovered from their salary also. They will have to return. So perhaps, my lord, that is why, because of this difference, my lord, he may have returned some amount also, my lord. So regarding whether the total amount was 86 lakhs or it was 17 lakhs, my lord, that will, my lord, be only known if he is also allowed to participate, my lord. Let, my lord, he be also allowed to participate. Then, my lord, lordship will examine the case diary, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, his side of the story will never be on record.
This is another aspect actually that he on his another I think important aspect that in these cases that
Yes.
he on his he returned the money on his own or after it was found out.
He received notice.
Suppose the
My
anomaly.
lord, I am
Yes.
coming to the another part, my lord.
Yes, now you
May I come to the FIR, my lord? If
I'll
my
not-
learned
I'll
friend
not,
has completed, my lord.
submit.
Yes, my lord. Let him complete, my lord.
He has completed. He will
He has
reply.
completed, my
He will
lord.
reply.
Okay. My lord, in the FIR, my lord, page 17, my lord, only, my lord, few lines, my lord. My lord, that is in the para 1, my lord, that is the 2, my lord, subsection 1, my lord. The during the verification concluded bank on so and so dated.
Where
The
para 1?
Para 1, my lord, sub para 1, my lord, para 2, sub para 1, my lord, Roman 1, my lord. That is, my lord, it is, my lord, notice that the branch general ledger, my lord, BGL so and so, so and so, so and so, Biswanath Sariali branch, my lord, it is from my lord, SBI, my lord, that the balance of the said BGL account stood at 45,607 on 15/7/2025, whereas it is reduced to 6,31,249 on so and so, so and so. Now, my lord, here, my lord, the next paragraph, my lord, that is, my lord, that after sample verification, my lord, transaction in the said BGL, it was found that multiple suspicious debit entries, my lord, totaling 36,75,200 were made on several dates, my lord. That is not the, my lord, the work of a, my lord, any bank official, my lord, including 11/8/2025, 15/9/2025, 16/9/2025, and 23/9/2025. And proceeds thereof were credited to suspicious third-party accounts.
They are not, my lord, some, my lord, that is the, my lord, customer of the State Bank of India, my lord.
Many of whom.
May of which were non-home third-party accounts.
Non-home means non-home.
Non-home, my lord, because, my lord, they are not the, my lord, that is, my
In
lord, the
that branch.
customer of that particular branch, my lord.
Branch, non-home.
Because it is from the Vishwanath branch, my lord, that is from the,
Other
my lord.
branch is called-
Yes, my lord, BGL, my lord. And my lord, being a customer, where is my lord, safe haven? It is the, my lord, only, my lord, the bank. And here, my lord, it is the State Bank of India, my lord. It was revealed that all the aforesaid transactions were authorized and done by. Now, my lord, the question will come, my lord, from the record, who has authorized and done by whom? Myself, my lord, that is the present accused petitioner, my lord. Sri Purusittam Pegu, Deputy Manager working as a case officer of branch. So these are the, my lord, that is the transaction. Now, my lord, in the next para, my lord, I am coming only, my lord, the relevant part, my lord. The chain of transactions further reveal that the said deposited amounts were subsequently transferred to accounts of other banks, my lord. Now it is going to the other banks and to suspicious UPI IDs links, my lord. Now, my lord, in the bank, my lord, from a deputy manager's, my lord, in, my lord, it is going to the, my lord, UPI, my lord. Linked to the outsourced staff operated through the mobile phones, that it was so discovered that the funds were transferred to an account maintained in the name of Sri Purusuttam Pegu with Northeast Small Finance Bank, my lord. Another entity will come, my lord. My lord, that is the since Small Finance Bank, thereby exposing the fraudulent act of the employee. Now, my lord, these are the cases, my lord. These are, my lord, the financial, not only the financial fraud, my lord. These are the, my lord, economic offenses, my lord. And, my lord, when, my lord, the UPI transactions are there, my lord, and, my lord, there are links are there, my lord, being the deputy manager, if in this stage, my lord, he was granted the, my lord, the privilege of the pre-arrest bail, many things will, my lord, will not come, my lord. And in these cases, my lord, from the side of the prosecution, our humble prayer is that the, my lord, custodial interrogation of this, my lord, accused petitioner is very much necessary to find out the record, to find out the, my lord, the money trail, my lord, and the siphon of money. And, my lord, whether, my lord, in this case, where those, my lord, money will go to, my lord, unknown, my lord, that is the, my lord, the pocket, my lord. That is very much important, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, our humble prayer, it may not be granted, my lord. And, my lord, the investigating agency in this, my lord, regard, my lord, they have filed a, yes, my lord. Categorically, my lord, they file one objection prayer, my lord. For that, I have flag marked, my lord, the witnesses, my lord, because, my lord, investigation is going on. So, I am not, my lord, going to, my lord, make all the details, my lord, how the nexus is there within the bank, how a deputy manager is using the persons, my lord, everything is there. I have flag marked there, my lord. Even, my lord, that is the statement, some flags are there, how the money trail is there. So that is my respectful submission before your lordship.
But regarding, my lord, the submission made by the P, my lord, first thing is that, my lord, if they require, my lord, custodial interrogation, my lord, till date, my lord, why they have not issued any notice under section 35(3)?
No, that they should do. That they should do. If they want, they should.
Yes, madam. My lord, if they really want.
Interim order, they can arrest him.
Yes, if they really want to investigate me, at least they should have given me the opportunity, my lord, to appear before them. The next thing is that, my lord, if the allegations are so serious, my lord, they ought to have made prayer before the magistrate to add sections under relevant statutes, my lord, like PMLA and that special statutes, my lord. He's a public servant, my lord.
Or money laundering proceeds of
yes,
predicated offense, as you know.
Yes. Or other statutes, my lord. Like
that way, in every corruption, PMLA may come. If you think it, because corruption money, moment it is used somewhere, it's proceeds of
yes, or the PC Act, my lord. But the thing is that, my lord, here they are investigating the offenses only under 316 and 318. So my humble submission is that, my lord, at this stage, my lord, I am not praying for any absolute bail. Let his story come on record. Let him appear, my lord, because, my lord, I also don't know, my lord, why, my lord, a responsible officer who is dealing with the case will be so negligent, my lord, that in his custody, my lord, transactions are being made. And today, my lord, at this age of, my lord, financial, my lord, fraud, cyber crime, and we also do not know whether he may have been a victim, because these are all NEFT transactions, my lord, as I have been instructed, my lord. So I am not going on these aspects, my lord. My only submission is that, my lord, I am not praying for absolute bail, my lord. Let his side of the story be on record, my lord. Then lordship will decide. After vacation, my lord, lordship may keep it as a parted item, man. After vacation,
No,
lordship may fix a date, my
No,
lord.
I won't be.
Let
available.
his statement be recorded, then lordship will decide.
No, roster has come also. And
No, lordship may keep it as a parted item.
From 20 to 30. I'll
My
not
lord,
be here.
my
For
learned
him.
friends, my lord, query regarding my lord, whether he is a victim of the my lord cyber fraud or not, my lord. If my lord kindly peruse my lord, there are independent witnesses, that will be clear, my
This
lord.
is only the
How the,
FIR
how the things will
This
come
is
up.
only the FIR, my lord, which he is reading, my lord.
Don't.
FIR I can also read.
It has to be cross-checked anyway. We'll just write part of it. This S das third line. And P Pothaku, sorry, S A Bosch. Stop. Then from the previous order, you can take second and third paragraph. The case diary has called for has been received first. The learned counsel for the petition submits that considering the nature of the penal provisions, the petitioner has not been given any notice so far to appear. It is submitted that he is ready to render his cooperation to the investigation and that he may be given an opportunity with some interim protection at this stage to record his statement. The learned counsel further submits that the petitioner denies any wrongdoing as alleged. The case diary on the basis of the case diary, the learned additional PT submits that the IOS also submitted a bail objection. Bail objection?
Yes, my lord, objection is my lord, submitted, my lord.
At the granting of anticipatory bail at this stage could prejudice the investigation, and accordingly prays for dismissal of the bail petition. Please. I will call. It's not for practicable.
My lord, I have flag mark, my lord.
All these are may not be relevant, but this.
Because my lord, these are my lord documentary evidences. Relevant part I have flag mark, my
No
lord.
other chamber dictation.
My lord.
See it properly.
My lord.
Or something. Okay. And it will be if I. Okay, let it remain like that. Dispose his
My
prayer
lord.
has to be seen also.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, a date has to be fixed or
Ma'am.
it has to be disposed of. Anyway.
Highly obliged.
But it don't take like that. It will mean all bail done. Orders. We'll do the orders. Why is it come for?
My lord, in this case, my lord, I have challenged a proceeding, criminal proceeding, my lord, and notice of motion has been issued. What happened, my lord? The respondent number 2, my lord. She is my wife, my lord. She has already died, my lord, after issuance of notice, my lord. So in this regard, I filed an additional affidavit. On that affidavit, I bring the death certificate of my wife, my lord. And that is one reason, my lord. And another thing is that, my lord, I face some difficulties. Difficulties in the sense, my lord, I'm a businessman. I have to go outside for some business purpose. So I applied for, my lord, a reissue of my passport. But when I applied, my lord, because of pendency of the case, that was not reissued. And I contacted with the registry to issue an NOC, but the registry said that there is no provision.
NOC.
Therefore, my prayer is that, my lord.
No, I mean, I think I have not specifically studied this part of the law, but it will be unfair to deprive a passport on mere pendency of a criminal case.
Yes.
If it's if there is flight risk, suppose financial fraud, or these kind of things, siphoning of money, they be justified. A matrimonial dispute or say simple hard case may not justify that. Anyway, the passport authority refused you.
Yes, my lord. I have annexed 164, my lord, page number of my additional affidavit. This is the receipt where written that court proceeding is still on, my lord.
That may give rise to probably writ proceeding, writ petition.
Yeah, because
that's a different refusal by passport authority on the ground of pendency of case can be subject to judicial review. It can be, but this is different.
This is different.
If this is quashed, your problem is solved, obviously.
Yes, ma'am.
This we are here on a different.
No.
But there you have a remedy. It's not that the person cannot have it. Menaka Gandhi case emerged out of passport issue.
Yes, my lord. So if an observation, my lord, in this case, my lord, there shall be no bar, my lord.
No, we are not doing it today, are we?
Because within
Because the
this
two
month, I have
addition
some
matters
work
also.
outside, my lord.
You have filed because I will have to go inside otherwise. What do you say, Mr. Basu?
Yes, my lord.
What do you say?
So if you
And my lord, yeah, my lord, that is as because my lord, this matter already my learned friend has submitted, my lord. That is the respondent number 2's part is also there, my lord.
yes, when
Yeah,
I filed
He has expired.
expired letter on my
Expired.
lord. And so far, the money is basically arising from matrimonial dispute, my lord. And we have a child, my lord. And after the death of my wife, my lord, my father-in-law has handed over the custody of the child to me, my lord. And now all the burden of the child is on me, my lord. 498A is the main allegations, my lord.
FIR prima facie does not have merit of quashing because on the face of it, if
Yes.
you accept it, it can make out 498
Right.
on the face of it. But in the meantime, charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet submitted, trial is going on. And before my wife can adduce her evidence, my lord, in many occasions time has been taken up, my lord. And in the meantime, this honorable court has stayed a proceeding, my lord. And immediately after stay, my lord, and the issue of issuance of notice, my lord, she died on the.
Without her evidence, it will be very difficult in any case.
Yes, my lord, and already.
In
my
any
lord-
case, it will be very difficult.
My lord,
But
already.
quashing will be justified if there is nothing
Fine.
to justify a charge sheet. Then only it will be justified. Otherwise, without it will be very difficult to prove the case for prosecution if the victim is not there.
My
anymore.
lord.
Because these kind of things, yes, husband, wife can, family member, brother can say, father can say, but then again, these are corroborations.
My
My lord.
Main person is that.
Main person died.
It may be difficult to convict, but I mean, generally speaking. But
TC আছে তো ওখানে স্ক্যান TC এটা হয়েছিল
This is all for me. State with this.
she died a natural, cannot be natural. But
So I have she died in a medical, my lord. We are living separately for a long period, my lord. And so far the death certificate is concerned, my lord. It is shown, my lord, she died in Marwari Hospital. As she is suffering from illness for few months, my lord. So far I have got instruction, my lord. Due to illness, she died, my lord. $160, my lord, is the death certificate, my lord.
yeah, that's okay. No need for any substitution. What do you say? No need for any substitution because you're not a civil and it's gone. And this, at best, we can,
take a report.
He has filed an additional affidavit. That's not-
Already that is
it's
filed.
disputed, no problem. Who can we substitute? Suppose
Yes.
nothing. Amicus also, there's nobody.
No.
Or whom the amicus will represent.
Yes.
No, but there's no one. So on the basis of this, it's a
Ma'am.
police case. On the basis of the materials, we have
Ma'am.
to take a decision whether the quashing is justified.
Record is not available, my lord, otherwise.
Record is not there. Then
No.
we have to-
I think, my lord,
then we see the annex, but the thing is that record will be necessary. I think.
Yes, my lord. That may be called for then, well, scan TC.
So, Mr. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition, and they was the informant who was the wife of the petitioner was impleaded as respondent number 2. But it is submitted that during this proceedings he expired. And with regard to the same, the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit bringing on record the death certificate also. Death certificate. Stop. The scanned TCR of PRC number 673 of 21, pending before learned SDGM as number 1, Kamrup here, shall be procured, comprising the case diary, charge sheet, and depositions and other relevant documents. How many witnesses examined till now, as per your view? Are you in a position to say? How many witnesses examined? Do you know?
So far, my lord,
Two, I think. Two, I saw two. Two or one I saw. Anyway, so the interim order of order dated 24/9/24 shall continue till the next date of listing. I understand your anxiety because of your passport as well is stuck up, but it will be disposed of. Let the record come.
My lord.
And we
only
can
one
take
witness is examined, my lord.
one witnesses.
Yes, father of the victim. Inform.
You take a date and then.
Date may be fixed, my lord, if possible
can
within this
try,
month, my lord. It's from Gauhati, my lord.
Should I admit it also? Admit, then it'll come for hearing. The revision is, criminal petition is admitted for hearing. List the matter for hearing, list the matter in the hearing column on 10th May, Tuesday.
My lord.
If necessary, you can upgrade it.
My lord.
Or fix it at 2. It will be disposed of.
What is interim order?
Oh, that I've already mentioned. 10th May, Tuesday. No, it does. Criminal admission, it does. It doesn't. Okay.
As per office date order.
Office note date.
Order dated, your lordship, 4/4/2026, your lordship. Service upon respondent number 2 is awaited, your lordship. We will take fresh steps upon respondent number 2 in his office address, your lordship. And any other new address is known, that is known to the petitioner, your lordship.
Council. Submits that petitioner shall take fresh steps upon respond number 2. Prayer is allowed. You will take by speed post?
Yes, your lordship. In his office address, your lordship, because the address mentioned here in the causally say only the residential address.
It is submitted that the steps shall be taken by speed post on the official address of the respondent.
And any other new address that is known.
Or any other new address that is
known to the petitioner.
that comes to the knowledge of the petitioner side.
Deeply obliged.
List the matter in the month of May on a date to be fixed by registry.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Let them fix it.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, I am hearing on behalf of the respondent number 2, Lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, the petitioner was directed to provide the copy of the criminal petition held by the petitioner, but the same has not been provided till today.
I'm sorry to say.
Just a minute. Earlier, you had not appeared.
Yes, Lord. I'm not.
I am appeared on the last occasion.
Last occasion. Yes.
Thereafter
it was before that it was pending. Now, at least.
Yes, Lordship.
Now one problem is solved, but you have not received the copy.
Yes, Lordship.
I'll provide him, Lordship.
Is a question?
Yes, Lordship. Talking of impute affair, Lordship. Affair is at page 14, Lordship.
No problem. No problem. We'll take it up next. You're Mr. Burman.
D. Burman,
D.
Lordship.
Burman, learned counsel, learned heard for the petitioner. And D. Burman for the respondent entered appearance earlier for respond number 2. Mr. Burman, learned counsel submits that he has not yet received a copy of the petition. same shall be furnished.
Yes,
No,
Lordship.
expeditiously. And we'll, after vacation,
Yes, Lordship.
record is there, because we can save time. If there's something needs to be done, let us do it in the meantime. Record is not.
Okay, I will finally reply for this, to this petition, Lordship.
So the response number 2 is at liberty to file any written reply. So advice. This is squashing of
FIR, Lordship.
FIR.
Yes.
Okay. Botaku,
Yes.
you are handling this squashing of FIR, so CD will be necessary.
Yes, CD.
CD has not come today. The case diary of PS case. Roha PS case.
Raw
number,
piece case.
PS case number. This is that.
75/25. A copy of the petition may kindly be
Copy of the copy shall also be furnished to the prosecution. And call for the case. I'm not able to locate the case number. Side of all. But we have to get it correct. So that we can write this. Roha PS case now is not written here in your translation. you have not written.
75, Lordship. Okay.
75 of 2025.
25.
Shall be procured for the next date. This is the matter on.
On my lord, first week of May, my lord.
First, let it be
On 15th of May. No, 15.
Holiday. Sorry.
Oh,
No,
I want puppy soup.
19.
Koi day nahi,
Lordship, possible, can be fixed on 19, Lordship.
Okay, 19 is
May.
19 is hearing day.
Then 22, Lordship.
18.
Lordship,
18 or 20.
Yes,
22, Lordship, if possible, Lordship.
I have missed 22.
22.
22/5. In the admission column. Admission column.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Copy এটা দিবচোন। মই ফাইলেৰ মেচিনটো কল কৰিব